Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is our live broadcast outside the studio, and my name's David.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and it's Athena. I'm excited to be there, and we are really amazed by this, all the audience here.
Yes, I'm also excited because to start with, I thought there would be too much people, but here we are. There's a lot of people that's crowded.
Yeah, coming all around the world actually.
Yes, coming all over the world. There's lots of foreign visitors also in the exhibition now. Especially, we are actually in the road machine area. That's besides to our main stage, and there's a lots of clients that, or potential clients, if we can say that, are very interested in our road machinery right now here. So, what about the weather? You think? How do you think about weather?
I think it's a really good day, sunny day, when we considering the yesterday. But our colleagues are doing the best they can do to showing you that these beautiful machines. They make all the preparation for this today, and we are really excited about to seeing all these machines.
Yes, of course. Despite yesterday's, there's a rain at night, but our co-workers, our colleagues are really working their hard, and they make every machinery shiny, brand new, just like a diamond. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're now at the road machine area. We're going to start with the XCMG. This single drum road roller, and we're about to invite our specialist from Germany, from our Europe Development Center, Thomas, Mr. Thomas. Hi, Mr. Thomas.
Hello guys, welcome to our exhibition here, to our booth.
Hello, we are really wondering what you gonna tell us today about the machines.
Well, we have a lot of machines here exhibited. Let's start first from this model we are standing before. It's an 11.5 ton roller with 150 kilowatt engine power and up to 250 kilonewton power. The special design of this machine is that we have a two-pump solution for the drive system. One pump is driving the rear axle, one pump is driving the drum. This machine has the best-in-class traction force. Theoretically, it could climb 65%. This is an awkward feeling, if you ask me.
So, is there any changes in this year? Is there any upgrades?
Yes, exactly. This is the next step on those machines. The XS115 model is actually not entirely new, but the progress is exactly this new propel system that actually provides inherent proactive anti-slip performance of the machine.
Oh, yeah.
This is an incredible thing. If you drive it, uphill, downhill, you will be amazed.
Oh, yeah, we are seeing. Yes, thank you for the information. And
Yes.
we're also wondering the other machines you.
So
here
let's
today.
move to the next machine.
Okay.
This is also a brand new model for us. It's the first time we show it in public. It's a small remote trench roller.
Remote. So we can use it remotely, right?
Yes, if you come on this side, please.
Oh, you're gonna show us.
Yes. We have here,
Oh, sorry.
don't bother, a remote control. It has a huge display. You can see all study of the machine here. And you can control it something about 50 meters far away. Don't need to jump into the ditch and drive the machine hand driven. It's a pretty much convenient machine. Everything is stored here. Central lifting point for easy transportation. About 1.6 tons weight. It's, I think, a nice piece of equipment.
Yes. When we look at the others, it's maybe a small one, but doing a lot of things for
Yes,
us. Right?
this is probably one of the most versatile machines in the market today.
Okay.
So, especially due to his compact size.
That's right.
Yes.
So can we just get some
let's move.
information about this?
Right, let's go to see something that's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I see that.
I selected as next machine the Cold Recycler XLZ 650S. 560 kilowatt engine power, 2.30 meter walking width. It can dig as 0.5 meters deep. It's incredible. It's, I believe, maybe one of the, if the strongest machine in the world. I'm not sure, but it is pretty much convenient. The drum is driven hydraulically. We have one motor here and one motor of the other side to provide the power. We have an intelligent spray system that can be fed by water or by bitumen, depending on what kind of job you are doing. They are easy to be connected here in the front, this and the other side. And we have a huge enhancement in autonomy. You see joystick controls, 2 large displays. Depending on the setting of the driver of the preset, the machine provides the right mixture automatically. You don't have to care at all
So, as
over
far
the
as
day.
I understand, we use intelligent in every machine.
Yes. We do whatever we can to ease the life of the driver. Nevertheless, we additionally we have enhanced even ergonomy. The cabin can slide to the left and to the right. We have removed every noise source out of the proximity of the cabin. It's really a very nice machine.
Yes, I really like to see when it's working.
Yes.
So, what do you have for us next?
So let's go now a step further into the future, but to see our electric machines. But before we show our electric machines, we have here the next new model we show.
Okay.
This is also a small roller. What's new in this roller is that you see it has no support arm on the drum. This means it can compact directly up to walls. And this is an incredible and practical thing to do to remove manual work from any job site.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So this is, what is the difference? Can you tell
So-
us?
Exactly. You see, if you have the standard machine, you have always the supporting structure here beside this drum. However, this drum is not supported on one side, so that you can get here very close. This requires special design to keep the machine on the one side only supported. So this was quite nice thing. So this is, I think, for China, the first machine of this type.
And also, I heard about that we are talking about this machine, a magic tool.
Yes, well, we go now to the step in the future, and we have here our electric machines. Please follow me.
Sorry, before you start, I saw the color changes. This is a green one.
Yes, this is because it is really a green machine. If, as you see here in the booth, nobody else has so many new energy machines like XCMG. I think we are the pioneer in probably the world. I don't believe anybody else has so many different machines fully electrified. And I'm proud to say Road Machinery is leading this process. We have actually the entire set of machines available also as electrical or hybrid machines. We will see a lot of those things over the day. What makes this machine pioneering in the world is that it is not only battery driven, but drive system and vibration are driven electrically. This means the machines have much higher efficiency and they can be operated for, you know, up to 1 hour longer than similar machines that are in the market, because a lot, you will see some other machines also here, but also in other countries, but they have parts of the solution hydraulically. This is not the best and most efficient way.
So this technology is really remarkable.
Yes. So let's move here to our electrical small paver. It's one of the first electric pavers in the world, but this only does not make it unique.
Well, what do you tell about us about this?
Well, this paver is equipped with a 3-fold extendable screed, making the use of bolt-on extension not required. It can walk from 1.2 to 3.2 meters without any additional work. You just jump on the machine, push on the switches, and you can walk.
And there's all intelligence again.
Yes. The machine here is also remotely controlled. It has all features that are required and nearly everything that a big paver provides also. So I think this machine is also pioneering worldwide with the features it provides.
Yes, of course. Well, actually, do you mean that the last part of this can be adjustable from 1.9 meter to 3.2 meters?
From
actually?
1.2 to 3.2
1.2
meters.
to 3.2.
Yes, you have here the controls. You
Yes,
can
the control panels, yeah.
extend, extract and retract, making it wider or narrower. So this is a very convenient and easy to use machine. You can operate from here all essential functions for working.
Yep.
This is a really very nice and
Yes.
ergonomic and easy to. You see here the pictograms. You nearly don't need instruction manual.
Yes, yes, of course. There's no any Chinese word
Yeah.
on it, all English words.
Yes. No English. No, you know, since I'm coming from Europe,
Yep.
the problem with languages is essential. We are speaking in Europe. Don't let me
So many
tell
languages
lies.
there.
Something about over 30. So
Yep.
this is done all Sen explained without languages, easy to understand.
Yes, of course.
So, and then we had the electric roller, the electric paver. Let's see now the electric milling machine.
Okay.
So this is also one of the lightest milling machines we have, especially for light urban job sites. And this is actually the main advantage of electrical machines,
Yep.
the noise.
Noise. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
You have nearly no noise pollution around.
Yes,
You
yes.
can walk in the middle of the city
Yeah.
and don't disturb
Even in the middle of the night.
surrounding,
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
in the night, yes.
Yeah.
So I also wondering about these electrical machines. What about the charging?
The charging of all machines are equipped with DC charging abilities. They can be charged in as fast as 1 hour, and the working duration, depending a little bit on the application, but it can exceed 3, even 3.5 hours.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. That's
Especially,
very-
yeah, this is
Yeah.
really long, especially since the application of those small machines are not, you know, like the highway class machines that are working without interruption the whole days. Those machines, for the use case they are designed, they can work one day, one shift without a problem.
Of course, of course.
Right.
The reliability is very important.
Oh, reliability is even higher because due to the electrical drive systems we prefer to have, we reduce the amount of hydraulic oil, the amount of required daily maintenance. It's really a huge gain
Yes, a huge
for the
yes.
operators and for the owners of the
Yes,
machine.
of course, of course.
So, electrical milling machines, there are not many in the world, and the novelty of this machine is also, let's move here, I see here a huge interest in
Okay.
our booth.
There's another remote control here.
No, this machine is not a remote control,
Okay,
but
I'm just rough guessing.
what we have to show here is, see there, the drum is driven fully electrically,
Oh,
right?
This is a
And the
perfect
drum,
design.
this is actually a milestone in
Oh.
this industry,
yes.
because don't let me lie, something about 80 to 90% of the power are required to drive the drum. This means this machine is by far more efficient than any other thing you may see even in the next months or maybe a year on this planet. I suppose our partners in the market will check this and they will accept that we are the forerunners in this
Yes, yes.
technology.
So we can easily say that we are leading this industry again.
Yes, we are doing so. Now let's go to see the other machines on the other side.
Okay.
We have there also some nice piece of equipment standing there. We have installed here the entire chain of the asphalt work from a part of an asphalt plant, asphalt transport truck with an insulated hopper. And what I want to show you,
Sorry, Thomas, I interrupt you, but what is this machine does? Can you
This
please
tower?
briefly? Yes, yes.
this tower is the last part of an asphalt plant.
Oh,
We are. This is actually where the asphalt is mixed. Let's see. Let's go. We have there a nice picture.
Okay.
You can see the entire handling system of asphalt.
yeah, and I also realized that these machines are bigger than the first ones.
Yes, yes. Those are highway class machines. Those are for really heavy duty applications. So we have here the asphalt plant. Only a part of it. An asphalt plant is much bigger than what you see here. I mean, if we would install the entire asphalt plant here, our entire booth would be covered.
wow.
This is an enormous piece of machine. So here the asphalt is mixed finally. The truck comes here and gets fed under this nozzle. Then the truck, well, should be opposite, drives to this shuttle buggy, the feeding vehicle. We have it here. It's actually a brand new machine.
So I understand that we have to use them all together, right?
Yes, yes. All this process is like, how to tell it? Consider it as a factory where every machine is linked to the next, and everything must work together in order to provide the best possible result.
Yes.
So, this is our new shuttle buggy, the 1005, 600 tons capacity. It has nearly 250 kilowatt engine power. The hopper has a capacity of 25 plus tons. So, and this machine makes sure that the material transfer between the truck,
yes,
between the truck and the paver runs uninterrupted without stops. And the key for good road quality is constant uninterrupted working. This is actually the only secret. Everything else is something you can handle.
About that.
Yes.
Why we need a feeder? Okay.
Yes, this
this
is the background. So the truck feeds the asphalt in this hopper by conveyors. The hot mix is transferred to the paver there. You see the bucket there. This is a special construction we need in case we have feeding operations with a paver.
I also wondering, is it suitable for all regions?
This is suitable for all regions, though this kind of shuttle buggy is more preferred in the North American region. In other countries they prefer crawler-driven machines. However, this machine is, you can take it, I mean, and if you have the right engine, this engine is not for highly emission-regulated markets. But if we exchange the engine and would put, you know, a Tier 4 or a Stage 5 engine inside, we could use this machine everywhere in the world. Right. So now to one of our highway class pavers. This is the RP905. It's one of the most advanced pavers you can get today. So you see, in this bucket, the asphalt is running in. If you don't have feeder operation, the truck must dock on those wheels. Those are also have very large diameter. This makes the docking process a little bit more convenient and safer.
Yes.
So, and the working piece for an asphalt paver is the screed you see below, behind, not below, sorry, behind. This is up to a 9-meter wide screed, hydraulic extendable with bolt-on extensions. And the paver has ability to lay down theoretically up to 900 tons per hour.
Well, I really just amazed by this view because it's the first time for me to see that kind of machine in real life.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I'm working with those machines since decades. I think you need this experience in order to provide a reliable and a machine with high availability and convenience. The controls of those machines are among the most advanced in the world. I mean, some understatement we have to keep. They are probably today leading this area also. We have a big daylight visible display on the screed controls. We have on the top touch screens with all automation functions. We can see it later now. You see people that are interested sitting on the machine and checking it. This is a very convenient machine.
Yeah, we can see that. And thank you for all of this information about these machines. I really amazed by this. I couldn't say anything.
Yes, this is a very nice piece of equipment. I'm very happy that we have designed a machine of this quality and this performance. This is really a machine that you cannot hide from anywhere. So after the paver laid the asphalt on the ground, the last step is performed by tandem rollers mostly. We have here two machines.
What is the differences between these machines?
So this machine is a machine with 8-ton weight. Those drums are equipped with vibration. This vibration is normal. It's you know, a rotating vibrator that provides the sufficient vertical vibration to compact the machine. And this machine is a little bit heavier, 13.5 ton, and it's a little bit wider with 2.13 meter width, I believe. And but the special thing here is that this machine has not a rotating vibration, but an oscillating vibration. Especially for bridges or for very thin layers, this type of compaction is
With
the
ergonomy.
best is the best thing you can do.
Yes.
Of course, the ergonomy of those machines is best. As you see, you have here one arm operation. After you did the settings on the display, you don't have to take your hand anymore off the joystick, and the machine is doing more or less after you did the settings automatically. You have
So
only
you-
to
you
choose the
al-
direction of movement, and the rest is done. You don't have to care.
So XCMG also thinks about the user's comfort.
Yes, because actually we are doing machines for the operators because they live with the machines. I mean,
Yes.
people like me, of course, I drive those machines, but I'm not living on driving on those machines 8 days per hour every day. The operator is the key for productivity. If he feels good,
Yes,
then
it's a really
everything is
important thing.
in
Smoothly
plan
can go,
and
yeah.
smooth, and everything works okay. The
Yeah.
operator is the key for success.
Yeah.
I've even once saw that operators, they put in their even luggage or even their glasses on the
Yes, we
machinery.
have considered even charging stations for mobile phones.
Yes, yes.
Because you know, today the mobile phone is the most
Everything,
important.
yes,
and
yes.
without mobile phone, you will die.
And a personal
So-
declaration, of course.
Yes, of course. So, and the next step to the future, let's go on the other side. You will see our autonomous machines, and I think we will not have too many years ahead until those machines will become standard. Please
That's
come
fully
here.
automated one, right?
This is fully automatic, unmanned,
I can
and you
see
see here the
anyone
demonstration.
using that.
Here.
Both of that, actually.
Right. So I think together with the renewable energies and this autonomous machine, we will see a lot of changes in this industry in the next years.
There's no drivers in it.
Yes,
There's no
you see no driver, you
Yes.
see all the GPS and the
GPS,
sensors
yes,
on the
sensor.
top. They are
And also demonstrating the speed.
Yes,
and
the engine power.
engine
So,
power,
like all other machines, we have adaptive engine power here also. So this machine is, as you see, a normal machine equipped with this autonomous drive system. The engine controls you see here with the adaptivity for economy and,
Yes.
and environmental protection, those are installed in all other machines also.
Oh my
So
God.
this is not something unique on those machines. So the unique thing is that they are equipped with incredible, highly developed electronics to be operated fully
And I
automatic.
also wondering how far away can we control these machines?
This machine is not manually operated. It is fully autonomous. You can sit at home
Yeah.
and the machine walks
I
alone.
know, I'm just wondering the distance.
So I could sit in Germany and see what those machines are doing here in China.
We
No
could
problem.
try that.
So let's move.
So that's pretty much about all the road machinery area, I believe.
Actually not. I hope we will have the opportunity to show inside the hall some further new machines
new
we
machines,
have
of course. Absolutely.
shown. But I think for now we will interrupt here because
Yes. Well, thank you very much,
you
Mr.
are welcome.
Thomas. Yes,
Yes.
thank you very much. And also, I think our colleagues Mandy or Ian, maybe
Yes.
they could show the audience more
exactly.
detailed information.
Yes, we
about
have a
the
lot of
models.
other things to show. Please join me again
Okay.
to continue.
Thank you
very
Thomas.
much.
Thank you. Just let me take it.
I hope.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
See you.
Okay, our dear audience. Yes. Let's head to the another area. Continue. We're actually wandering in this exhibition. Like take a little walk and
Yes.
meet
I-
the specialist. Yes.
Yes, and I also want to try some of these, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Especially, I think you're getting extra excited when you see this machinery is automated.
Yeah.
It's fully driven by itself. And also, I think,
And Lisa can't believe that's such a thing because those are really huge machines and
Yeah.
sometimes they're using for the detailed operations
Yeah.
and it's really impressive.
because let me tell you one thing. These machines, these are fully driven by itself. This kind of complex solutions, it is not only theoretical anymore. It actually have already been used in China in the many projects building the expressway, and actually there's very helpful for lots of companies and lots of our clients. Like I say, we're empowering the client, empowering with XCMG's technologies.
Yeah, I noticed that, and it's a really good chance for me to experience all these machines around because it's a really lifetime experience, I think.
Yes,
You can
yes.
see those things in every day, everywhere, so I really want to get more information about all of this machine. Where are we up to right now?
So we're actually walking into another area, a special area. It's called the Wandering Earth area. The Wandering Earth. Have you ever heard about that name? The
Yeah,
Wandering Earth. Is that familiar for you?
It's not that I don't know, but maybe I heard about it. But especially in China, I heard somebody is talking about this Wandering Earth.
Yeah, let me give you a brief introduction. The Wandering Earth is a well-known and very popular Chinese sci-fi movie that's directed by the popular movie directors Guo Fan, his Chinese name, and also it's a very interesting movie. And one more thing is very important for us to show our audience today is that XCMG has actually sponsored lots of construction machineries to the shooting of this film. So
maybe we can say our machines are already famous.
yes, our machinery is already famous. Like what you're seeing right now behind us, these machinery are all in the special painting. This white one.
Yes.
It's not like the usual construction
ones,
machinery.
yes.
It's a white one. The usual construction machineries, even yellow one or the
Green
blue
ones.
one, green one, yes, and these are white one.
Are these just coloring because of only for the movie?
That's for the movie because there's a UEG on that. It's based on the scenario in the movie. So one more thing, the Wandering Earth area is also a popular spot in this exhibition. Not only because of the popularity of the movie The Wandering Earth, but also because it showcases the black technology applied in reality. And for example, the equipment models are movie to display here. In this movie, we not only see a grand storyline, but also a real technique that shows the XCMG's new technologies here. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the Mr. Thomas are explaining the road machinery, the whole working process of building the road, and now we're actually in the Wandering Earth area, and let's invite our specialist, Mr. Carson, to explain us about this hydraulic excavator.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Carson, and today I'm so excited to come to Shanghai Bauma live stream. And today I want to introduce several introductions about our excavators.
Go ahead, Carson. Just don't be nervous. Show the audience about this machinery.
Yeah, no problem.
So what about just briefly tell us a little bit about this.
Yes, the XCMG WECR is the wheeled hydraulic excavators. And look at this way, this excavator adopts a tailless design, which is the first short-tail wheel excavators from a Chinese brand to enter the European market. And also, it can be used in complex environments like urban construction, road construction, river regulation, and other scenarios.
Oh, thank you. And one more thing, I'm just out of curiosity, and maybe it's a question that me and us and I have discussed for a long time. Can we open this cabin?
Yeah, no
today?
problem. Just follow my
Oh,
steps.
he has a special key.
It's really nice to hear that. Yes.
Yeah, I think it's the key.
Since yesterday, we always want to try.
Yes, we've discussed that a lot.
Yeah, but I don't think.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
I think maybe
Just
it's a little
go
hard
ahead.
for you.
Okay. I think I.
I'll take this one.
Yeah, you can have a try. Be careful.
Okay. But I don't know how to get in again.
Just hold your hand here. Okay.
Because of this tablet.
What about I tried it?
Yeah, maybe we can try the other one.
Okay.
Like really good in there.
Yes.
Maybe you can have some.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's no problems.
Okay.
So,
It's a little hard for you.
Yes.
yeah. Is there any other, for example, special features inside of the cabin?
Yeah, look at this cabin. It used a 7-inch touch screen, and also it
it's a
had
touchable
the-
screen.
Yes, right. And also it had the air suspension seat, make it drivers more comfortable.
Yes, of course.
Also, when you close the door, you'll find the noise control also perform excellent.
So it's a noise canceling cabin.
Yeah,
Can I say
right.
that in this way?
Yeah, sometimes maybe I'm in this cabin, I can even hear my heartbeat.
Oh my God.
So that silence we are talking about.
Yeah,
They're making
yeah.
some noisy things, but you can't hear it. That's amazing.
Yes. Also, this machine adopts a Cummins QSP 4.5 engine,
Okay.
and with the Kawasaki pump and valve, which provides strong powerful.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. And would you mind if I just show our audience how quiet
Okay.
inside the cabin?
Yeah, actually, it's easy one. I just
Yes,
wish
I
there are
take
hard
this for you.
dresses.
Okay, our dear audience, I'm now inside the cabin, and please close the door for me. Let's see. There's actually no any noise anymore. I'm talking a very silent way, and And you know what?
I can't hear your voice at all.
I can't hear
Yes.
either.
Here. Just
I'm
no
wondering, could he?
Very impressive technology. Thank you. Thank you, Carson. Please hold that for me.
Okay.
Could you hear us when you're inside?
I can't hear you actually. I'm talking in a very low voice. And try to explain to our audience how fascinating this technology is.
Yes.
You did much better than me.
Thank you.
And also it has other functions.
What about the keys?
Yeah. Okay. It also has many other functions like quick switching. Look at here.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's a
this
quick
is
switching. So switching the working device, right?
Yes, right. And also adjustable pressure meter and independent control of PTO pumps makes the machine stand out.
Okay, okay, thank you. So basically, that's I think pretty much about this model because you know
We really want to see the other one.
the other one I've been told a lot of times, and let's continue.
Okay, no
come
problem.
together with us just
Yeah. Next, I want to introduce a newly upgraded the XE35E.
XC35E.
Yeah,
Okay.
X-Leader.
Well, XC35E. I've heard of that. Yes, yes. Maybe I've seen that yesterday.
Oh.
Yes, that one. This is my idea, photographer. Just
be careful.
yeah, because there's really so much clients, so many friends are here. So
Wondering what's
yes,
going on here, and
There-
everybody wants to know about the machines, more about getting information.
Yes,
so
yes.
hopefully we can provide them to information.
Yeah, look at this one. The XE35E is the multifunctional hydraulic excavators. It has several functions and also can be used in many scenarios, like the urban streets, basement, gardening, and other scenarios. And also it has other features like flexibility. You can see here, look at here. It adopts a tailless design and the small turning radius make it suitable for walking in some narrow streets. And also you can come to here.
So what is the upgrading process in this year? I heard that some
Yeah, some upgraded information. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this place. The chassis width. We reduced the chassis width this year by 40 millimeters.
Oh,
Yeah, it's 40.
so it's so it adds the function of operating in narrow space, right?
Yeah. It makes it more convenient for walking some narrow place.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
especially for a narrow street or a very small place to operate the. No, this is a small excavator. I believe most scenarios must be carried out in the small places, maybe.
Yeah, right. And this place, you can see, it can make it. This can have the deflection function like this. Make it parallel.
So they can turn for itself.
Yeah, right,
The boom,
like this.
the boom can turn. I can actually see here the structure. It can turn.
Yeah, it can turn. Make it possible to dig parallel to the walls.
Okay, that's very impressive. Well, what about the other one?
Yeah.
The other green one. Is that a pure electrical one?
Yeah, this is the XE27 EV. This machine is a pure electric excavator. That the green color of the machine and their pollution characters make it stand out among the other excavators.
Oh yeah.
And it can also used in many places like greenhouse farming, landscaping, food processing, and other scenarios.
So basically, well, what about the battery performance?
Yeah, the XE27 EV used the 41.2 volt low voltage platform, and the
Okay.
battery capacity is 43 kilowatt hour, which allows it to work continuously more than 5 hours. And also the rated power is 50 kilowatts, which is the most powerful electric hydraulic excavators compared to the same level.
Yes, of course. And this very outstanding machinery.
Yeah,
and
right.
Thank you for your work yesterday. I know yesterday's a rainy day. You must be spending a lot of time wiping out your favorite machinery, maybe.
Yes.
Everything's good right now.
Yeah.
Also, if you have some problems, look at here. With the open rear hood, maintenance personnel from here can easily access all parts of the machine for maintenance and inspection, which is very convenient.
Yes, it's very, very useful for the operator and for owner. Of
Yeah,
course.
yes. Also, you can come here. The space of the machine is very spacious. Yeah, it's even larger than some other excavators.
And also, did you see the machine inside the machine? There's a fully touching screen. Touch screen makes operation simple, I guess.
Yes, yes.
That's right.
Okay, I think that'll be all for this unique machinery, this 3 excavator that you're introducing to us.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And you know what? We're gonna have our another colleagues, maybe here, maybe a Mandy. Let
Yes.
them give our audience more detailed information about these excavators.
Yes,
Okay.
no problem. And if you have any questions, you can leave the comments, and you can come to our factory directly. No problem. Yes. and we will ask our R&D personnel, the research personnel, to give you the more details information. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Carson.
Yeah, thanks very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. As Mr. Carson was describing this this 3 excavator.
Yeah, and those are the different. They have differences between.
Yes, yes. Well, actually, I was very impressive about this new technology that we're using in the excavator.
Yeah.
This is hardly ever have you seen any pure electrical excavators, and also there's a area that we're now working at. It's the area that demonstrating all our loaders.
Yeah.
Now, let's please welcome another one of our friends to give us a little bit introduction of this machinery.
Okay,
Good morning.
morning. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce my great, powerful machine. This is the, right, I hope you know we are in the compact machinery area in this part. So this is our first domestic pure electric skid steer loader. So it's really powerful. It's our XC7 SR07E. Right, it's skid steer loader. We have 3 really great words to describe this. The first is flexible.
Flexible.
Right, flexible. And the second, comfortable and convenient. So
Okay.
why I said it's flexible? Right here, we can see the attachment from there. You know what it is?
What is this? A working
Yeah.
device? I've never seen that.
That's called sweeper. And you can
Oh,
clean,
sweeper.
you can clean the ground
It's
and
to
make
clean
it
the street.
right.
Okay.
So that's not the standard. Indeed, the skid steer loader standard with the bucket. And why with the equipment that now? That means we can change different attachments for your need to solve different problems. That's great.
It's a custom made.
Right, and you notice this structure? This structure is for our hydraulic quick coupler, and you can easily change any attachment only if you want.
Okay.
Even if you do not have the optional, if you want other special needs, we can make some customer made for you.
Okay.
But that's why so it's that it's flexible.
So really, it's a customized solution.
Yeah.
Right.
And also, we realized the color again, and we always wonder when we see this color, how long does it last on a full charge?
Well, the full charge time for one time is about half an hour. For the first, right, 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Okay.
Right. So when it's full charged, it can work at least 6 hours for the standard work.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, yes.
So that's the first, and it's equipment with 3 models, which is really powerful. You can see the size of this machine is not that big, but
Yeah.
believe me, I trust this really, really powerful machine.
Oh.
Equipped with 3 electric models, it can offer you nearly 33 kilowatts power.
Three models.
33 kilowatts
Oh my God.
output. It's
Okay.
really powerful.
It's a really powerful one.
Right.
So what about that one? What about that one besides us?
This one?
Yes, it's
Okay.
a backhoe loader, right?
Right, it's backhoe loader, and I hope you noticed the same color with the skid steer loader. The green painting, which means that's the pure
Pure
electric, right? Pure electrical machinery. In XCMG, we bring that to green. And why we call that backhoe loader?
What?
Loader, it means that's the loading end, just like the normal standard powerful
like
action.
excavator.
Right, and you can see the other side of this is an excavator. The equivalent with the 0.4 cubic meters bucket, and that's loading bucket is 1 and it's just 1 cubic meters.
Yeah.
Right, so that means you buy one machine, you get 1 loader and
an excavator.
excavator.
And a
Right.
wheeled one.
Right.
So what about the both sides of the operator? Can the seats go anywhere?
Of course.
Directions we
Of
want?
course. And you want to go inside and have a look?
Why don't we just let the photographer just open the door? Let the photographers.
Okay. And I hope it's locked, so I will.
Doesn't matter. Just let Mandy and Ian do their part.
Right. So let me talk about the seat. The seat is really comfortable about the cab.
It's the air.
It's really important for long time work. The comfortable, I believe, that's really it's really important for the operators, right?
Yes.
So you're always considering not only the customer, also the user, and it's really important thing because
Right.
you mentioned before it's really hard to sometimes getting long time in it. So when it's comfortable, it's okay.
Right, it's really important.
Yes.
Comfortable operations improve the work efficiency.
Considerable for the operators. That's also a very good point.
Right. So you want to, for example, right? You are loading somewhere, and then you want to change the left side to excavator.
Yep.
You just need one pedal in under your seat, and you just turn around
Turn
without
around
any.
and-
Right, turn around, and you can start your other work.
Okay. Oh, so
One pedal, just under the seat.
Under the seat. Yes.
Right. So that's the thing.
That's the
Very, very comfortable and
Okay.
very, very convenient.
Okay.
That's our first domestic pure electric backhoe loader. You just can see that in XCMG. You cannot see that anywhere else.
Okay, it's like a milestone for this
Right.
industry. So,
What do you have for us?
yes, what do you have for us, Els?
So this machine also really powerful,
Yep.
even more better than that one. With the electric motor, it can offers you at least 74 kilowatts to output
74.
for both loading side and excavator side.
Okay, it's powerful and also a
Comfortable.
eco-friendly one.
Right,
Yeah.
it's zero emissions, and you needn't the fuel, right? Zero
Yeah.
emissions and low noises.
Yeah. Does it have also a quick coupler? for option?
Of course.
Yep.
That's both the quick coupler is both for the loading end and the
Oh
excavating
my
end.
God, a multifunctional excavator and also multifunctional wheel loader.
Yeah,
It's great.
it's double.
Yeah, yeah.
Double flexible.
That one's really a smaller one. What
Yes.
about that?
What is that for using? Could you please briefly introduce us?
Okay, of course. This is our hydrostatic well loader. You notice that the size of this loader is also really mini, so
Yeah.
which means both all of this one and the C2570 and then the first one we produced for you, SRO77E, it's really suited for the narrow areas.
Yeah, oh,
Right.
of course, that was key.
It's the big machines cannot get in, so you
Yeah.
can drive our compact loaders inside and finish the work.
Yes, yes.
So
This-
maybe they are working more detailed.
Right. So this one is our well loader, and you can see, of course, remember what we mentioned before: flexible,
Yeah,
comfortable,
comfortable.
and convenience.
Yes.
Both of these words can use in this machine.
Okay.
Right. So this part is the hold of this machine.
Yes.
And one part is really important to mention the maintenance.
Yeah, the
The
maintenance.
maintenance, right? It's really important. So good maintenance can greatly enhance the life or the service life of this machine, right?
Yes.
So almost every part you need maintenance is placed in this area.
here.
Just all here.
Simple.
Just standing on the same position, and you can finish almost all the maintenance.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Very convenient for the operators.
Right, it's really convenient. And move forward.
Uh-huh. So the cabin's actually, well,
Right.
actually bigger than I thought.
Obviously, we're trying to offer the more comfortable environment to our operators.
Yep.
That's really great. That's really important, I think.
Yeah.
So you can see the joystick in here,
Uh-huh.
and we have the wheel steering.
Yep.
So the operation of this machine is really easy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a small flexible machinery, yeah.
Right, it's really easy to maintenance. It's really easy to operation.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see the tire. The
Uh-huh.
tire is pretty. We can change different type.
Uh-huh.
So we see it's flexible. Not only the attachment, of course, there's also equipment.
Also a quick coupler,
Yes,
also
quick
quickly
coupler.
changing.
And the tire you can change to different types to adjust different situation or working environment. So that's why we said it's flexible.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see this one small but really still powerful.
Yeah.
Just as the two we mentioned before.
Yeah.
This equipment with an 18 kilowatts engine.
18 kilowatt. Oh.
Right, so which means we can take the total circle time of this machine is no more than 10 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
So this really efficiency to
Yes.
improve your work efficiency.
Of course, of course.
Right, so this is equipment, now it's equipment with a bucket.
Mm-hmm.
You can change to a lot of different attachments for your needs, like the snow blend,
Yep.
we're in winter, and perhaps we'll use that for. So you also can change to the skid loader when we see that before.
Sweep in
the
the street,
sweeper,
yeah.
right. So also, if you have any special needs, we can make the custom-made attachment for you.
Okay, okay.
Right.
We keep hearing that kind of things. Do you realize that, David?
Yeah, yeah, the three
XCMG
key
is al-
features,
Yes,
yes.
and also XCMG always can have a customized option
Yeah.
for the clients.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, compact loaders for you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the very good performance and very good explanation to our customer today. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. See you.
See you.
Thank you. Yeah, we learned too many information about these machines, David, today.
Yeah, yeah.
And I really wonder what is the next stop for us.
Well, the next stop for us is definitely a digital space for the XCMG's technologies that we're demonstrating on this BaumaCHINA 2024. Because we're saying this. We're saying this a lot, like the specialists. That you just tell us the three key features about the comfortability and so many features, and also the wheel, and also the backhoe loaders, the wheel excavators. They're all applying the new technologies,
Yeah.
especially when Thomas and us was see this demonstration of the autonomous road roller. These are all demonstration and also a result of our development. So.
Yeah, keeping up with the intelligence is really important thing. It's a key of the being the big one in the construction machinery. So XCMG handling this kind of things really well, I think.
Yeah, yeah, of course, and actually, we would like to see more machineries on ourselves because there's actually very big number of machinery that we're demonstrating here today, and let's.
And thanks to our experts, they informed us really well.
One more thing. We would like to show our audiences that I almost forgot about it. It's the bulldozers.
Yeah.
The bulldozers of the XCMGs. Right now, this area is called the earth moving area. So earth moving is all about the working with the dirt, with the mud. So you dig something, you put the mud on the truck, and you make a construction. That's why basically in this part is all about the excavator, the well loader, and also.
So you talk about these huge machines right over there?
Yes, yes, and right in front of us, it's very close. Let's see it. And also, did you know why there's a wheel loader instead of a traditional the usual excavator is designed with the chest of a crawler?
No, actually, I don't know.
Yep, it's because as I was saying, most of the constructions must be done by excavators, and when the excavator is transporting through the construction site, there's always another additional truck. But the wheel loader can operate on itself. It has a wheel to drive it, so it's more convenient. Now
So
listen. Yep.
that one is a what is doing this for us?
Yes. This is a motor grader. Actually, is especially for making the ground to be flat. You see the knives here.
Yeah,
Those,
I can see them.
yes, and allow me to give us a little bit introduction about this machinery. This is a GR1905, and motor graders is the part of XCMG's high-end 5 series. And it's a masterpiece of a craftsmanship and integrates features like precision, efficiency, time saving, labor saving, and cost reduction, and making it a top choice for the large-scale leveling tasks on roads, airports, and farmlands, maybe.
And also equipped with load-sensitive hydraulic control technology. It ensures constant lift speed, energy efficiency, and excellent work quality. And high reliability, rotate bearing, drive and rear axle, and cheese load capacity, and braking performance.
Yes. And well, right next to us, another one is the bulldozers. The bulldozers, usually that's the first machinery we use in the construction site. It's cleared away out of a mud period, making a relatively flat ground. So here's the D360. Well,
Yeah, it also looks huge.
yes. Now it is equipped with a high-power engine that meets the stage of first emission standard and boosts the low fuel consumption. It features XCMG's exclusive electric control gearbox for thumb shifting and the integrated electrical control system. The touchscreens of the LCD displays easy human machine interaction and fault diagnosis, of course.
And I realized that the dual hands operation and one-touch start-stop reduce fatigue and ensures operational comfort. The adjustable seat with wide visibility makes operation even more comfortable. It also comes standard with a roller protection cabin for high safety. This machine is ideal for pushing excavation, backlifting of soil, rock, and other loose materials on highways, railways, mines, airports, and essential for national defense projects, mining
Yes.
construction, urban workloads, and hydraulic engineering.
Yes, yes. And right now the same construction machinery is also a bulldozers, but this is a smaller one. This is a D200H. Well, this model is also a crawler bulldozers. It's fully hydraulic transmission bulldozers developed by XCMG and offering a stable, reliable performance with a flexible and comfortable operation. It is mainly suited for the excavation, backfilling, pushing, and clearing soils and rocks, as well as complex in terrain and shaping the areas such as the highways, railway, export riverbeds, and the mines. And the features including the elevated drive structure, hydraulic transmission, and the PAT blade, of course, and the temperature controlled cooling system, intelligent monitoring, and the construction data management. Integrating advanced international technologies, and it is a machine with the wide field vision. You can see the cabins right there, and this is a flexible, comfortable operation, and make it easy for maintenance, energy efficient, and reliable at workplace.
Thank you, David. And yeah, you see, we are amazed by all of these machines and forgot about the looking this.
Yes, yes. There's multiple reasons for we kind of get lost actually on the way because we're
XCMG's booth is really big, by the way,
Yes.
and you can't finish.
the lifting machinery actually, and
Yeah, and here is our specialist Ayman, and he's gonna talk with us about the machines and
yes, just right
give
beside us.
Information. Yeah. Could
Hello,
you please-
ladies and gentlemen.
sorry.
Welcome to XCMG Machinery area. This is Ammon, and this is our canary stacker. XCMG's new generation of pure electric canary stacker is an efficient, energy-saving, zero-emission, and low-noise product. Its specialized construction machinery power battery provides greater safety and fast charging. Advanced technologies including precise weighting, intelligent braking, and panoramic imaging system. We also supply panoramic driver's cab, reverse render, reverse camera, and 10-inch touchscreen display in the cab.
Okay, so that's basically about the features about this product, and you know what? I'm very curious about some of the features about this particular product. For example, the cabin of these two
Yeah.
models. And it's actually very high. I think if we got a chance, we can just show our audience a little bit about the cabin.
Yes, we can say.
It's very interesting going to be. Here on this side, we're close into the cabin. You can see there's a stairs. Why don't you lead us? Yep, yep. Oh, it's locked. Okay, doesn't matter. This one's locked. It doesn't matter because we're gonna actually show our audience about this. There's a touchable screens, right?
Yes, yeah.
Touchable screens and the multiple function of the pilot's joysticks, right?
Yeah.
What does the joysticks buttons does for?
The joystick will control the spider side shift, lifting, will control the spider's work. And
Oh.
we also control our boom out.
The boom. Okay, okay, I see. Well, what about the next one? What about the one that besides us, the other model? It's also for well, I guess these two are actually in a different purpose of moving a container, for example. I believe if I'm correctly understand this one's for lifting a container and move it somewhere else, and this one's about putting it into 3 levels, 4 levels, maybe.
This one is 7 levels.
7 levels.
Yeah.
Okay. So
For-
let's give us a brief introduction about this one.
For this machine is used to lift empty container handlers. This machine is our empty container handler. Is a type of warehousing equipment designed for stacking, handling, and transporting empty containers. This one is our XCMG's next generation pure electric stacker, featuring high efficiency, energy saving, zero emission, and low noise, making it a pioneer for greenhouse. And the rated load is 9 tons. It can stack 7 layers containers.
So can we look up this cabin?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we can go there.
Okay.
David.
Okay. Do you want to come? No. Okay then. I'll take that.
Okay.
Oh, you just go. Just go. Very interesting one. Can we just open it?
The door is locked.
There's no lock.
also locked.
It's also locked, but doesn't matter because basically it's like the same as like a,
Yeah.
there's a touchable screens, there's a multiple function joysticks, and one more thing. Why don't you just step down? Yeah, one more thing is about this machinery. Is that pure electrical, right?
Yeah, it's also electric ones, and we use BYD battery.
Okay, okay. So how long does it charge usually?
It's a finish charge just 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
1 hour to 2 hours.
Okay, it's really fast.
Yeah.
So I think, well, basically that's pretty much about everything we need to know about this special.
For this machine, our standard spider are made by ourselves, and we also supply other branded spiders such as Brahma spider, Elmi spider. We can supply different configurations according to customers' needs.
So it's the customized
Yeah.
services. Okay,
Yeah.
that's very incredible. It's very incredible. And just you know what, Eamon, you gotta give me a chance once. Maybe there's a chance for me to when we get into your factories. You should really let me see
Yeah.
in this cabin. Okay.
Okay.
Like you promised. Well, what about this one? Give us a brief introduction about
Okay,
this.
this is the brand new E5 series electric counterbalanced forklift. We apply the new generation of XMG intelligent control and energy saving platform technology, featuring industrial leading operational performance. And this machine will use BYD battery. We supply different attachments, side shifter, container spider, and so on.
Okay, that's very cool. You know what? Is there all the cabins that inside equipped with the fire extinguisher? Because I've seen a lot of fire extinguisher. Is this really for exhibition or is normally it's just here?
Yeah, it's like in the cab it's like a race stack and empty container handler. We have air suspension seat. We also have proportional joystick, and we can also have panoramic imaging system, reverse render camera.
Oh, so the rear view, right?
Yeah.
And the side view, of course. Oh, I see the cameras.
Yeah.
Is that camera or working light maybe? Oh.
This is our reverse camera.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's very good. So for this kind of machineries, if we have a rear view camera, it's going to be very helpful.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
will be 50.
Yes. Okay. So I think that's pretty much about the XCF 1612E. I think.
Yeah.
And it's a brief introduction and some features about this machineries. And well, I'm gonna leave the time for the more detailed information to our colleagues and dear colleagues maybe Ian, maybe Mandy, who would like to have a deeper discussion with you.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for your help.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help.
See you back in our factories.
See ya.
Okay. So next, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at right now. When we're
Really
turning,
big one.
yes, when we're turning the cameras on the back side, you will see the biggest wheeled crane in the world, the XCA 4000. It's a 4,000-ton crane, ladies
Did
and
you say
gentlemen.
biggest?
Yeah, the biggest one in
Whoa.
the world.
It's
Now,
really amazing.
please, the camera, turn into it. Let's show the audience.
Hello. Could you please tell us about this machine?
Yeah, please, Garrett.
Yeah, look at this metal machine, and that XCMG's biggest all-terrain crane, XA 4000. Look at the boom. It has an amazing 4,000-ton lifting capacity, and the boom can reach up to 205 meters. And that's like 2 football fields end to end. This is actually our wind power champion. We even call it the king of wind power. But don't let the size cheat you. It's more flexible than you think.
So it's used for setting up the wind power, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Great.
Here, the cool part of this, it has a breathability of 39%, so you can drive on highways or construction sites, unlike the quarter cranes that you should disassemble and reassemble. This crane is so flexible that you can go wherever you need to. Yeah.
Okay, of course.
Yeah.
And what about the next one? In this exhibition here this year, the BaumaCHINA 2024, is there any new products? Well, I've seen this XCR120. Yes, this it's a rough terrain crane, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what about this? What about this model? Can you just give us a brief introduction about that?
Yeah. This is our XR12R AU. It's our mining specialist. Look at the boom. It can lift 120 tons and reach up to 50 meters. This cool part of this crane is the HVAC system. Mining sites are very dusty, and the regular crane can't handle it. Moreover, we make sure the operator stays comfortable even in the hardest conditions.
Yes.
Now, mining companies are really focused on fuel
Yes.
efficiency and emissions these days. So we put our latest hydraulic system to that can save energy, will still give all the power they need. Yeah.
Yes. That's
Could I ask what is the advantage of this product for our clients?
Yeah. You're right.
okay. So about this one, this is actually a very unique landmarks here because when we're looking at the biggest crane well, I think it's on this exhibition this year. This is the biggest one, the tallest one, because
Yeah,
when we're
I
getting
couldn't
closer.
see the end of the top actually.
Yeah, when we're going to closer to this exhibition center, we see first is the XCMG's flags and that hang under the boom of this XCA 4000.
Yeah, it's
Crane,
definitely
so
the ace.
really-
Sorry about that, David. It's definitely the ace in the wind farms, isn't it? It efficiently is breathtaking and absolute top choice.
Yes, of course. And Garrett, what about the next one, the XCA 80?
Let me show you something different. It's our European crane. It's our European market crane. This crane might not be as massive as the XA 4000 or as specialized as this XR120, but it has some really smart features. It can lift 80 tons and reach up to 60 meters with a 7-section main boom, perfect size for city work and construction sites. This crane has XMG's the latest G2 premium cab, so it's very comfortable and advanced.
So when you're talking about the comfortability of the cabin, is that possible for us to open that and show our audience? Let's try. Oh, it's locked. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because yesterday when we were doing this rehearsal, Garrett already showed me that
Yeah.
this kind of machinery is already having air suspension seat, and the touchscreen screens even have an interactive interface that's can show every status of the axles, and also there's a button to control the air conditioning system. It's really a nice machinery.
Yes.
And I'm confident, especially because this is actually one of the best XCMG's products.
Yes.
So, Garrett, I think that'll be all.
Okay.
It's a great day to meet you, and
Yeah.
you look very good today.
Yeah,
So,
you're right.
thank you for your explanation, and we'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, as we're working through the peoples, and we're always afraid of bumping into someone, especially
Yes.
today's really the first day is always about so
really
many
crowded out
yeah,
there,
so many
yeah.
people, so many visitors are here to see our products. Even some of those people, they are bringing their own child here.
Yes.
The child is really having fun. The children are playing with them.
Yeah,
with
if I
the
were a
interface.
child, I want to try one of these actually.
Yeah, so speaking of this, let's meet our specialist, Shi. Well, he's going to give us a little,
A brief introduction.
yes, a brief introduction about this crawler crane.
Hello everyone, welcome to Crawler Crane channel. This is XLC 415 dual power. the infrastructure pioneer and the lifting powerhouse. Look at the green fuel-saving champion behind me. Isn't it eye-catching? It is the latest infrastructure pioneer and the powerhouse, which can run on either oil or electricity, making it both environmental friendly and efficient. The powerful XLC 415 dual power boasts a maximum lifting capacity of 415 tons and a maximum lifting moment of 5,600 ton-meters. These are not ordinary figures. This signifies that this crane can excel on various complete construction sites. Under standard and enhanced working conditions, the heavy-duty main boom extends up to 84 meters, equivalent to the height of the 22-story building. The tower jeep reaches a maximum length of 72 meters, while the shield jeep extends up to 24 plus 9 meters. Imagine that this giant crane effortlessly lifting a small mountain.
Oh yeah, well this is a really big machinery here. Well, what about the cabin? I've seen the cameras are also shooting. There's a lot of visitors that is experiencing our cabins.
Of course you can. Just remember, hands off the controls.
Oh, okay, hands off the controls.
This
Our
way?
insurance look like a really transformer.
Yeah. You want to try it?
This way?
Oh, they even prepared a special. They even prepared a special stairs.
Oh yes. We
Oh,
can,
come
but
on, come. No.
I think someone needs to help us.
Okay. 你好上吗？这个？好上。Okay, I'll go first. Well,
Maybe it will be hardcore.
it's safe here. Safe here. Yes, I think let the cameras just show our audience about this very intelligent cabin. Oh, there's a whole screen. What
Look
about the
at
screen?
the-
Can you describe what kind of
Yes.
function does it have?
It is a 24 large screen, and we have a 316-degree camera view of your surroundings.
There's also a facial camera that.
Yeah.
Can it just recognize its faces?
Yes, the camera has a face recognition logging system and a voice fault alert and a voice assisted control system.
Wow, that's very useful and also full of the XCMG smart technologies. I mean, the joysticks on the both sides, simple, and also there's a button control panel that could control basically all the function that we need in operating this system. And also, there's a big screen that integrated all the functions here.
Yes,
Thank you.
absolutely.
Let's get back and watch our steps. You see, a lot of visitors here today who wanted to take a pictures or wanted to get into the cabin to experience.
A little help over
Yeah,
there.
that's a nice little help.
Yeah. Because of my, I'm not sure that I can make it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's easier than I thought. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. So that's it's a very interesting interactive interactive part of the machineries that you're showing to us. Thank you, Eamon. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. So those are the really big machines we are surrounded by. Where are we going next?
Next, we're walking into actually this area is very close to the foundation. I would call that foundation construction machinery area. When we talk about foundation construction machinery areas, there's always creates a confusion for the normal audience because sometimes we think about foundation and we don't know what it's about. Actually,
Yeah.
when we talk about foundation, it's always about drilling. Actually,
Drilling.
about drilling, whether it's horizontally or vertically. So there's our specialist and Wilson.
Yes.
Yes, Wilson. Nice to meet you today. You're looking very handsome, and please just give us a little introduction.
I'm very happy to be here to introduce our product to all our clients.
Could you please tell us about this machine's advantage of these models?
This model, this is the model is XR 2600F rotary engine rig, and this is the largest model in the world.
Wow.
Its torque, yes, its torque is 600 kilonewton meter, and it's also diesel and electrical dual drive power system, so it can provide a strong and sufficient power for working. Yeah.
Thank you for telling us this. Is there any upgrades this year?
Operating here?
Yeah, this year.
No operating here.
There is. Okay.
Okay. I was couldn't help wondering if I understand this correctly. This machinery is the largest one in the world.
Yes,
and
yes.
There's a symbolic, or shall I say, a very unique part of this machinery. Oh no, it's that machinery. Okay, I'll get back to that later. So the features about this. So please tell us. What is some kind of advantages about this model?
First, it can drill up to the maximum depth is 200 meters, and the maximum diameter is 8 meters. Both are with the industry leading figures. And secondly, the chair system features 4-wheel drive technology. The maximum traction force is up to 320 tons, so making it the world's largest rotary rig chair system in terms of traction force and track pitch.
Okay. So what about the machinery next to us, the XTC150G?
Yes.
So actually, well, this one's looks like a continual wall grab actually. Is that something similar like that?
This one is the trench cutter. It's different with the diaphragm grab you just mentioned. The diaphragm is for the working device is grab. It's very suitable for the soft soil. But this one, you can see this one. It has 2 wheels. The left one and the right one. The 2 wheels is used for the hard rock.
So it's like a tooth. It's
Yeah,
like
like
tooth
tooth.
that's chewing the rocks, right?
Yes. Break the hard rock and use the mud pump to discharge all the soil out.
Okay.
So, and the parameters, the maximum depth is ranging from 105 meters to 150 meters.
150
The
meters.
depth.
150 meters
Yeah.
depth. Okay, that really surprised me. And so, the similar machinery that I've seen before is like a excavator with the two bucket maybe together. And it is actually for soft materials, right?
Oh yeah.
This one's for hard materials.
Hardware, yeah.
Okay. So what about the 2 big winches back there? What is that used for?
You already noticed that?
Yep.
The 2 winch. There are two winch. The left one, you see that one with big and thick hoses. That is mud winches. The other one is hydraulic winches. You know, when you're working, you should to charge the mud into the ground.
Okay.
So the left one is the mud hoses.
So the left one's basically sucking the.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other one is hydraulic tube.
So it controls the movement.
Yeah,
Okay.
supply the hydraulic oil to give the power to the 2 wheels.
Oh, so 180 meters of depth. That winch is definitely more than 150 meters there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
very impressive. Also, is this the biggest one of the XMG?
No. This is a new model XMG designed. The biggest one is 180.
Okay.
It still look like big. The biggest one also.
Yes. Now, so there's still another machinery that's
Just in front of us.
yes,
In front of us.
I believe it's called horizontal drilling machines, right?
So what is that for?
I've-
What's that using for?
Well, I've used to heard of this. It means that this kind of machineries can just put something underground without breaking the ground. Well, it means it could. Well, let the specialists explain to us what this machinery does. This kind of machinery, the horizontal drilling.
You mean the function?
Yes, the basic function.
This machine is horizontal directional drilling rig. Its short name is HDD. It's used for the underground non-excavate working constructions, such as to lay out the electrical tube and the steel tube, and also the oil tube. Yeah, very big project.
And it can cross a lake or cross any
River.
rivers maybe, and it's
Very long. Even more than 1,000 meters, 2,000 meters, or 3,000 meters. Yeah.
Okay, that's very
Can we
impressive.
say this is the highlights of this product, or
Yeah.
do you want to add something more about it?
This one, you see? Like come here.
Then let's follow you.
And come here. This machine is obviously very different from the traditional type. The big one on the top is the power head. We call it the power head. The traditional one is driven by the hydraulic oil, but this one is electrical motors. So it's a new design.
So what is the working method of back mirror?
We don't actually have back reamers here, right?
We don't have back reamers here, but back reamers is accessories. And this machine have a lot of accessories. It's not because this area is not very big.
And there's
So-
also sticks, right?
Yeah, but the back reamer is necessary.
Okay,
Yeah.
That's sweet. So basically, it's making the hole bigger,
Yeah. Different size of the back reamer make the different size of the hole.
creating
Yeah,
internal.
from the small one to the larger one gradually. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for this special explanation of these 3 materials, of these 3 construction machineries. I think, well, that's very impressive, Wilson. You look familiar and you look very confident with your machineries.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a good day.
Okay, see ya. So to start with, this kind of a drilling machinery really puzzled me at first.
Yeah. Actually, I didn't know such a thing about these machines before.
Yeah.
Not an expert actually, but today is really informative for me because it has been good experience.
Yes, because I've saw a lot of drilling machineries on the different construction site, but this one looks very big. And as you were saying,
Yeah, it's not the biggest one.
That's
Yes.
the XR2600F. It's the biggest one in the world.
Yeah.
Well, right now, as we're working, we're in the hoisting area and walking through the crowd, and we are actually approaching a tower crane.
Wow, a tower crane.
Yes. Well, tower cranes actually we see those kind of machineries at most of the
Daily
construction
routines, yeah.
projects, especially on the center or they're building a high building, of course. And
Yeah, I can see it by the way.
yeah. So let's find our specialist.
Jason.
Is that Jason?
Yes, Jason is
Yeah.
over here. Hello, Jason.
Hello,
How are
Jason.
you?
Hello, welcome
Hello.
to Tower Crane Breeze. This is Jason.
Hello, Jason. We really like to get information about this machine. Could you briefly tell us?
For this intelligent construction hoist, its load capacity is 2 tons, and for the speed, it can be from 0 meters per minute to 50 meters per minute. And for the maximum height, it can be 260 meters.
Wow.
And for this CAD dimension, it can be 3.2 meter length, 1.5 meters width, and 2.5 meters height.
So, what kind of working condition it is mainly for?
Sorry?
What kind of working condition it's useful for? What are they using for? I actually want.
Yeah, she means that when we're at the far away side to look at these tower cranes, we saw that these cranes have a special booms that the booms can lift it up by itself. Why is that? This kind of designs for what kind of purpose?
You mean for the tower crane?
Yes, the tower crane.
For this lava tower crane, it can use for some kind of sky tower and in the CBD of the city for the narrow working environment. Yeah.
That's why. Oh, okay, I understand this kind of design. So, as you were talking about the tower crane and tower crane's height and about the intelligent construction hoist.
Yeah.
It's like intelligent, elevator in this construction area. Maybe you can take us for a little tour for a
Yeah,
spin?
do you want to try?
Yeah.
Follow me, please. Yeah.
I've always wanted to.
For this intelligent, so please stay far away from this kind of area. If you stay there, the close will not close. And you can see this close. The gate can close automatic.
Oh, so the system knows exactly if there's if there are the people standing too close to the door, then it stops closing.
So you don't have to do anything. Just get in the cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about this camera do?
Yeah, this camera can do the people counting. This hoist is maximum hoist about 8 people. If the over 8 people, the door won't close.
Okay.
To keep the safe.
It's very impressive. You mean that the camera knows how many people are in?
Yeah, of course.
Does it recognize his faces also?
Yeah, of course.
So if you
can see
try
the
to get in
face
there
recognize
again.
it for.
So if I'm not the authorized person, I can't operate this.
Yeah, you cannot use this.
Okay, I see. Systems knows all well.
Yeah, and for this is for our safe devices. It can be used for 5 years. And here is our limited speech. It can be used for 3 to 5 years, and we can check it every half year.
Okay. So it's a very, very impressive function that we can have on the elevator there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah. I guess it slows down.
Yeah, very close to the floor. You set up. The hoist will be slower.
Okay. So the speed is also
And
intelligently adjustable.
also, this gate automatic open.
Automatically. Okay.
So you don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. You can hear David.
Oh my God. This is really exciting. A little bit cold, but excited.
We are top off on this, but still, never anything is nothing look like a smaller. Only people.
Yeah.
Everything huge.
I think this is the first
Oh my
time that
God.
we came to such a high place to see the
Yes.
in this BaumaCHINA show.
Oh my God.
On the exhibition, this is the first time I came to a place like that high. How high is that?
It's almost 10 meters high.
It's just 10 meters.
Yeah.
Okay,
It
10
feels
meters.
like much more than.
Yes, feels much more like it. Well,
Maybe it's the first time for us. This is why we feel like that.
yeah. So please just
Let's move on. Here is our new product for the Laughing Tower Crane. This is XGL900, and the maximum load capacity will be 65 tons, and it has 70 meters deep. It's the longest deep in the world for this kind of 10 meters class. And you can see this one is our basement section. It has 9 meters basement section and 10 sets of the tower section. The tower section, each tower section has 6 meters. For the freestanding of this one, it has 17.4 meters.
Yeah, and there's also a protection that when the operator is climbing
Yeah.
up the ladders, and it can protect him from falling off. But actually, as an operator of a tower crane, he climbs himself into the cabin, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I haven't bring these
You will
iPads, I
try?
would try myself. I want to go into the cabin.
You know what? The informations are really good, but all I'm thinking about is coming there again and taking photos over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should say something.
Yeah, if you want to go to the cabin, you should going down.
Okay. Oh, just from I see,
vessel.
from the downside of.
Yeah, from the ground, because it's very dangerous to across to the platform.
Oh, so what kind of height does it reach?
Yeah,
How
the
high?
maximum for this
Of
one
this
is
tower crane?
about 800 meters high.
800 meters high.
Yeah, it's kind of achievable.
800 meters high.
Yeah, because it's used for the sky tower.
Oh
you know,
my
sky
God.
tower is
Okay,
almost
okay.
five-
It's a building
500
for very tall buildings, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So what about the lifting capacity?
Yeah, for the maximum lifting, it can be 65 ton. For
65 tons.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the tip load, for the tip load, it can be 6.5 ton.
Oh, okay. 6.5 tons.
Yeah.
That was amazing. So
Yes, I'm really amazed by the view, by the way.
yeah, and
Maybe
also
just stay here.
just stop our show and let our audience see from this high places. Wow, and well, this is really impressive. I hope this night maybe we can just climb up here.
Yeah.
But camera knows, you know.
Yeah.
It's not gonna.
It's look well. It's gonna be looking much more better
Yeah.
with the night view. So
Yeah.
let's. Thank you.
So what's your step?
Oh, that is also a protection for the people who are in this elevator.
Also for this elevator, we also get the hammerhead monitoring. Yeah, if you don't wear the hammerhead in this point, the gate will not.
Oh, that's why we're hearing the alarm.
Yeah, it's always
Oh,
mentioned that you don't have
You're
the
not
hammerhead.
wearing it.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Even it can see these things, and you mentioned about it coming tonight.
yeah. It's very, but it's very useful function for construction owners. if I say,
Yeah.
Because it's very important for the workers to wear the helmet.
Yeah, okay.
So this monitor is really smart things, you know. And I've never imagined that it looks not that kind of intelligence from the outside, but actually there's a lot of technologies here. And reliable, of course. You said
Yeah.
that's even a safety device. And I've noticed that when the elevator approaches the end, it
Approach
always
the
slows down
ground.
automatically.
Yeah, the speed was slow.
But it's really soft stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Very comfortable.
Okay, we're on the ground.
Yeah, on the ground.
You're safe right now.
So thank you for this beautiful experience,
Okay,
by the way.
thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, see you.
See you. Bye. Yeah, this is a remarkable moment for me. I wouldn't forget about any of this moment.
Yes, and because it's kind of relaxing on the top
Yeah.
of everything, looking from the outside. Well, so as we're walking now, we're approaching the area that we have our truck-mounted crane, and also there's a
Maybe.
there's a mixer.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
a
I
mixer.
can see
Yeah.
Hello.
The specialist, please just, you're looking extremely handsome today. So let's just tell us a little bit about your machinery.
Okay, you can see this vehicle is a fully electrical truck mixer, and it's updater of the rated power of 55 kilowatt and max power of 19 kilowatt.
Oh, okay.
Okay, equipped with the XCMG high-end battery.
We're talking about the pure electrical one.
Yes, and also
very
talk-
powerful.
Yes. The charge is quickly, just 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes, and delivery a range of 120 kilometers per charge.
120. Okay. 15 minutes.
Okay, you can see the seat-up rear beam denied. It can ensure stability on rough road. Okay, also inside the drum, it has a double spiral design that results in a more uniform mixing, fast loading and unloading, and a lower residue rate. Also, the drum and the blade are made of 300 HP grade resin steel, extending the surface life and make it worse for different containers.
Okay. So this is a very high efficiency products, I think,
Yeah.
especially for the.
I never seen an electric mixer before, by the way.
Yeah, I've also never seen an electric. Oh, is that battery there?
Yes.
Okay, it's very impressive. But what about this one?
Uh,
It's, This is a 62 meters pump track, right?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me about it.
This 62-meter pump track is modeled in HB62H. It's also used innovative engine technology, combining traditional fuel pumping with electrical power function like mixing and cleaning, cutting fuel consumption by 15%.
Okay.
So what are the new features of this machine?
Okay, you can see the bomb. The bomb has advanced technology to keep it steady during work because it has a large cross section and a high rigidity structure.
Yes, the accuracy of where the conkers go is really important.
Yes, the bomb, the advanced bomb vibration reduction can keep vibration within 150 millimeters.
Oh my God. It's very impressive. Very impressive new features.
Yeah.
And what about this?
Okay, you can see the X-type outriggers all in one side operation in tight space. Also, you can see the tank fuel. It has two tank fuel. One is the 1600 liter and is plus 200 liter, ensuring long working hours.
Long working hours.
Yeah.
Wow, this is also a pure electrical one, right?
No. It combining.
It's a combining power.
Yeah, yes.
So you can use the electrical power and you can use the
fuel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Diesel maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Maybe we can call this like hybrid.
Hybrid. Yes.
Hybrid power champion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's pretty much about this very simple introduction about this machinery.
Yeah.
And you are talking very fast. I suggest you next time you talk a little bit slower to
Okay,
our
okay,
audience.
okay.
Okay, so what about that? What about our colleagues, maybe Ian, maybe Mandy will just ask you more details about this machinery, and we'll have basically enough right now.
Oh.
Okay, so see you.
See you.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So, well, he's looking wider as last time I saw him. Well, as we're walking now, we are actually approaching to a special crane area. It's a truck-mounted crane actually, but in the exhibition, it's been placed like this way for the demonstration. And let's meet our specialist, Mr. Jemmy.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Damon. We really like to listen from you. What about this machine, and where can we use this machine?
Yes. So today we have bring here with 3 kinds of truck-mounted crane, and the truck-mounted crane is mainly used in some construction sites like the warehouse, like docks, anywhere customer wants it to be, we can do it.
Wow. Yeah. So you can easily customize for the customer.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So what is the advantage of this machine?
So you have, as you can see, the truck-mounted crane is just directly installed on the truck, and it combines the function of the transportation and the lifting. It has the 2 capability.
Okay, there's something I was really interested about
Yes.
that, Demi, because I've seen a lot of truck-mounted crane before, and some of them has the seats on it. So sometimes it doesn't have seats on it. So do we have any optional here for our
Yes,
product?
yes, it's scheduled to be optional. As you can see, the SQS 500P, it has the high seat on the middle area, and this 2 doesn't. But if the customer wants, we can add it.
And what about the remote controller?
Yes, sure, it's also optional. Yeah.
Okay, so for example, this I've been to some countries in Asia Pacific area. I gotta say, there's in the most of the countries when you're, especially in China, when you're saying when you saw a truck-mounted crane, there's approximately 90% it is XCMG brand.
Yes.
So what do you think about this? XCMG's market share is that much. It's
Yes.
that big. How? Why?
First of all, we are so proud of that, and that I believe it's because our brand power, and we often do some updates for any possible question. We can deal with that. We can do upgrade. That's the reason why.
Okay. So I think that's basically about everything. Well, thank
Yeah,
you for
okay.
the detailed explanation.
Thank you.
Okay, Jimmy, we'll continue to take our walk. Okay, see you.
See you.
Have a nice day. Well, he's a really professional about his, and also he's sharing a view of a market share, And I think the next one will be well, that one looks tall. The aerial working platform. It's a device that gives you a chance to move you from the ground to a very high altitude. I've once been experienced on the bucket of an aerial working platform. It is very exciting. I don't know if today's I don't know if today's we have a possibility of experiencing that, but whenever you come back to Suzhou, come back to our headquarters, our range walk.
Oh, I really appreciate that.
Okay. Actually, we're walking into this area.
No, where are we?
And well, let's just briefly tell our audience a little bit about this machinery. And this right now we're looking at several of aerial working platform.
And there's no specialist here, I guess.
Oh, there's specialist
he's
here.
He's here.
Okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the firefighting company of XCMG. It's such an honor to introduce our products to you guys.
Just hold it. It's yours.
Oh, it's mine. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you. Firstly, let's have a look at this superstar product. It's a large meter articulate bomb with a working head of 48.7 meters, a load capacity of 300 or 460 kilo, with a dual operating curve and high load design. It can better meet the needs of different customers. The product adopts two sets of telescopic bomb structures, which are flexible and easy to operate. It can span a head of 18.9 meters and a working range of 24.5 meters. At the same time, it can achieve a download exploration operation with a maximum depth of 7.5 meters, meeting the requirements of high altitude obstacle crossing operation in complex working conditions. The whole vehicle is designed with press and powerful driving with 3 steering models, flexible, challenging narrow space operations, and one-click brake expansion and contraction functions, while meeting the requirements of vehicle safety. Wide rough carrying tires with strong adaptability suitable for various complex road and construction operations, indoor and outdoor safe and reliable.
Okay. I think there's one more question that I'm a little bit sure about the answer, but I'm still going to ask because I know it's, according to the safety regulations of our exhibition, we can't actually get into the working platform, right?
Actually, now we cannot because we have so much people around here,
Okay.
and we hope we can, but that's a wish.
Okay,
We can't.
okay.
Sorry.
So maybe next time.
next time. Okay, let's move to another product. Is that fine?
Let's go. Okay, there's several different aerial working platform. Actually, it's located here. It's all grain. Is that pure electrical?
Yes, of course.
Just tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, that's our very famous new product. It's a large load and large platform can meet a multi-person working indoors or outdoors, which can achieve the strong adaptability to working condition. 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering can achieve 2-wheel steering, 4-wheel steering, and crab mode, which contribute to the flexibility of the vehicle. The innovation application of the one-key centering of the steering wheel can achieve high accuracy. The vehicle has high place changing efficiency. Equipped with off-road tires and the outrigger, which can be leveled with a key. The vehicle has good ground adaptability. The platform is cylinder telescoping tab, reinforced large extension platform, which is practical, safe, and reliable. Okay, should we go to the next product?
Okay, let's move to the next product.
That bigger one. That's the biggest
It's the
one.
bigger one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Maybe you want to try this one too.
I want to try everyone. Well, this is actually big. This is higher than the others.
Yeah, this product every time
It's
when
obviously bigger.
Yes, every time when we introduce this product to our client, they will be shocked. They will be shocked by the altitude.
Okay.
So this new product, ultra electric telescopic bomb lift with a maximum working head of 42 meters. Yes, 42 meters, really high.
Okay.
And double operation curve design, rated load of 300 or 460 kilo to meet the needs of large load working conditions. Adopt 360 volt, 280 Ah large capacity battery, long lifespan. The gradability is up to 45 degrees. The strong drive, convenient for transportation. Electronic controlled 4-wheel steering, 3 steering models of single axle, 4-wheel and crab tab makes the machine flexible. It adopts CAN bus valve and is equipped with detection and alarm function, which can realize intelligent fault diagnosis. The X-shaped steering design can realize switching of vehicle with flexible, safe operation and convenient transportation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that all about the product that you want to introduce us?
No, I think I want to introduce all of those products, but I think we don't have enough time to do that.
Just
That's
let
such
our
a pity.
colleagues to have a detailed introduction with you about this whole machineries, and it is very useful, and it's also very surprising that our product can be pure electrical while also achieving the 42 meters altitude. Well, that's very amazing. Thank you for your explanation.
No problem. Welcome to our company again.
Okay. I'll remember that. And next time, please arrange for one tour on the air for me.
For sure.
Only for him.
Only for you.
Okay, thank you. See ya.
See you.
Bye.
Well, this what the products he was explaining is basically the product that is about the aero working platform that's specially with its own chest, because you see right here, like this kind of a aerial working platform, it drives in this bucket. So in the bucket, that working platform, it has also a maneuvering functions that could just make the platform moves.
Yeah.
This one's different. This one's different. This one has its own cabin, has its own chest, and also
Oh yeah.
working very high. So,
So
it,
what is the differences? Do you know about that?
it combines the two functions. It can drive like a normal truck, and well, that means it can transport it itself to a very long distance.
Based on needs.
Yes, and the chest is also the XCMG's product, and also there's a working platform. You can see that right there. I believe I've seen Jimin right there. Okay, it's your product, so right?
Yeah, it's our product.
Okay, just tell us about this.
Okay, so now you are looking at our new product of the GKS34 AEV. It's a purely electric aerial work truck.
So it can drive for itself. And what about the engine? The engine is pure electrical?
Yeah, it's 100% electrical with no diesel engine and no emission.
Okay, nice to know. Nice to know. So, Jimmy, thank you. I think that'll be all.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. See ya. Yeah. Well,
So really brief introduction.
really
though.
brief introduction, but you know what? Every day we have a new idea, and after a couple of years, after a couple of months, our engineers or our designer make them realities.
And also, I noticed that there's not only changes making yearly, they're making a monthly or sometimes even shorter periods.
Yes. It's well, the innovation and when the XCMG's people wanted to create something, invent something, it really pushed themselves to work very hard and very fast. So actually, we're at the area of the mining equipment. As we can see from our left side, these machineries are special machineries for underground mining mining construction.
So what is that using for? Do you know about that?
Just let our specialists tell us.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Amrit. Sorry for the waiting. Yeah.
Hello, Rip.
Okay, just continue.
All right. First on the list is XUD200 and 35C. The XUD325C sets new benchmarks in the mining industry through its advanced technology, including state-of-the-art sensors and control systems, which ensure precise and efficient tunneling operations. Its powerful performance and versatile design make it stand out, allowing mining companies to achieve operation levels and productivity and safety in underground mining operations.
So, yes.
All right.
See that one?
Following closely is the XUB135. The XUB135 is particularly effective in logboat support operations for underground mine roadways. Its robust design withstands vibrations and impacts, while its precision capabilities ensure accurate boat installation. The user-friendly controls make it easy to operate in challenging underground conditions, ensuring structural integrity.
Oh,
Yeah.
very unique design. And also the cabin has a very full vision.
Yes.
That's right. Yeah. Okay, move on. We introduce the XUN135. The XUN135 is renowned as the mine drilling expert due to its precision drilling capabilities and powerful hydraulic system. Its accuracy minimizes waste and maximizes productivity, while the hydraulic system provides the necessary torque and force to drill through even the hardest rock formations, making it indispensable for underground mining. Okay, let's go.
Okay. This one is kind of a loader, right?
Yeah. The XL514 enhanced mining operations through its versatility and adaptability. As a generalist, it handles a wide range of tasks, such as loading, hauling, and dumping various materials with remarkable efficiency. This ensures quick and reliable completion of tasks, boosting overall productivity.
So is this the underground truck?
Yeah. Last, the XUT545 underground mining truck. The XUT545 stands out with its expert navigation in confined spaces, unmatched efficiency, and precision in transporting materials. Its maneuverability allows it to traverse tight corners, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand harsh mining conditions, making it indispensable for any mining operation.
So are these using together?
Yes, it's a complete solution, right?
Yes, it's a complete solution for the underground mining.
Okay. So basically, it's very amazing that we have this complete set of machinery that helps every procedures. If I'm understanding correctly, these machineries are basically digging a hole and then put a dynamite in it, and once we, after all the procedures, and then transport the materials outside from the underground mining.
Yeah,
basically like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So very great explanation. Thank you for that. Okay, I'll leave the time for our audience, and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay. So basically, he's talking very fast. But I understand.
He tells everything by himself.
Yeah. It's
No need to ask any question.
yes. It's a classic. It's a classic technician, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, it's kind of like that. And also, I've noticed one really interesting characteristics because these machineries are all designed in a very low level, in a very low altitude.
Yeah.
So it's not a big one, but it's trying to be a smaller one because it's easy to operate on the narrow spaces on the ground.
Yeah, when you mentioned about the big one, I see some big one
Yeah,
over
this is
there.
a
Look
really
at these
big
wheels.
one.
And I couldn't believe actually.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there's lots of visitors are here. Wanted to take pictures with our big machinery, and we're now working into the open pit mining area. And this is our specialist. Please let him just tell us a little bit about this XC. Well, this is a very big well loader. What did you do it?
Hi everyone, thank you for coming here and welcome to XCMG Earth Moving Machinery stand. I am Named and right now we are at Bauma Exhibition 2024 in Shanghai, China.
Yeah.
So this is our right now second largest wheel loader.
Second largest.
Yeah, it's
Second
just
largest.
like
No, we have the bigger than this one. That is the largest one, but this is the second largest electric drive wheel loader in the history of China.
Oh.
And XCMG has made this breakthrough.
Okay.
So if we talk about the characteristic of this machine, we can say this is the transmission-less machine. There's no transmission in this wheel loader.
No transmission.
No transmission.
Then how do we operate?
Yeah. So this is the electric motor drive.
Oh,
This machine is driven by
motor.
electric motor. Perfect.
Oh my God.
Yes. So four wheel, we have 4 electric motors.
Wow, this is very impressive technology.
Yes.
And,
Yes.
and how is the bucket capacity of this?
Yeah, this is the bigger bucket and the capacity is 11.5 cubic meter to 14.5 cubic meter.
Oh my God.
So the maximum capacity is 14.5 cubic meter.
So I guess it's mainly for a very big open pit mining.
It is perfect. It is mainly used for the heavy job condition and large mining operations.
Oh my God. Well, today is on the exhibition center. Is it possible that we could see the cabin?
Yeah. We can get into the cab. You can see this is machine. And if we talk about the technical parameters of this machine, then this machine is 126 ton. The weight of this machine.
126 ton.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And the overall length of this machine is 16 meter length.
16 meter. Okay.
Yes, 16 meter length. So if my cameraman can show you the tire is 2.7 cubic meter tire.
I
So
can
you,
compare by myself. Yeah, look at the difference between the. Yeah.
Okay, continue please.
yeah. So this is the 2.7 meter is the height of this tire, and this is the standard tire.
So this is also standard tire.
Yes. And if my cameraman show, if you want to get into the cab, so we have electric ladder. You can see the electric ladder.
Wow.
This is electrically operated.
It's an electric oh my God, this is a stair for us.
Yes. This is the easy operation for the operator and for the customer.
I always think that is we need to use our own hands to put it down.
Yes. So when you climb on the cab, this is the 45 degree, which is according to the ergonomics design.
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
it's easy to climb.
Yeah. So can we get?
Well, okay, then I'll go.
Yeah, we can go, please.
No, it doesn't matter. Okay.
So you go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually climbing up to the
So here,
cabin.
if we talk about
this
the
is
engine,
middleweight, the
so
engine.
when you are going into the cab, so on the way you will meet the engine.
Yeah.
So this is our engine. So we use the imported Cummins engine. The power of this engine is 783 kilowatt.
783 kilowatt.
And which is about 1,050 horsepower.
Wow.
It's very strong and
Very
powerful.
powerful.
And the beautiful thing, that this engine is less fuel consumption.
Oh,
Electronic
really?
operated, less fuel consumption, and very strong, and
Very
used for the heavy job condition.
Oh my God,
Yes.
it's really impressive. And also, does the maintenance we do in here?
Yes, and this is very easy. For example, you can see this is the platform.
Yep.
You can stay here and you just open the side doors, and you can do the maintenance. It's very easy.
Very easy. And also, if we're doing a repair, it's also very
Yeah,
easy.
very easy. You can stay here
convenient.
and you just do it.
Okay, what about the cabin?
And this is our air filter is here.
Oh, this air
you also
filter.
can just stay here and use and open and
It's
replace.
also very easy. Please just please just show us a little bit. Yes.
Yeah.
Air
So-
filters, very convenient to change.
So the thing is that XCMG machines, easy operation, easy maintenance.
Yes, all for the customer.
Yes. So now this is our cab. So our cab is FOPS and ROPS cabs.
FOPS and ROPS.
So from here you can open the cab. Can you please come here?
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Because the door will. So we'll open the cab like this, and you can go into the cab, and there is no steering wheel.
There's
no
two
steering.
seats.
Yes, and we can get into the cab.
Wow.
Amazing. You see?
Air suspension seat, right?
Very comfortable.
Whoa.
And this joystick is used for the wheel loader itself operation.
Okay.
Going forward, going reverse, sides. So use this joystick.
Yep.
And this joystick, this side is used for the bucket operation.
Oh, this is for
the earth moving. Yes.
Yeah.
And there are many functions. So you can see
there's a lot of screens here.
Yeah. And this is the main screen.
Wow.
Okay, you can see all the specs from here.
Everything integrated here.
Yes,
Okay.
you just see from here. And you see, then you see, you do the operation and you just look at here and do the operation.
Yeah,
That's comfortable.
suddenly just make a working for like an operator a very funny job, very interesting job.
Perfect.
And comfortable.
Yeah, and we have a camera which is 360 degree. The whole machine you can see.
Wow.
And from here you can visualize.
Monitors here.
Yes,
Okay.
from here, this is the camera visualization. And here you can see the current technical specs of the machine. That what is the temperature, what is the pressure.
Wow.
You can see from here.
So if there's a solution or parameters, all displays down there.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
And any functions, and we have an AC inside, we have a heater inside,
The heater.
we have a GPS, we have radio, lights, everything.
Okay. So hey, I'm really interested about this seat.
Yeah, this seat is
This
for
is for whom to sit here.
you can sit, anybody can sit here.
Oh,
and,
okay.
They can
It's like a
this is
specialist
option,
seat.
special seat
Oh.
that they can sit here, and they also can give company. Or like if a driver want to give training to someone,
Oh
the
yeah,
trainer
yeah,
can
yeah.
sit here.
It's like observer. Okay, I get it. I get it.
Observators,
Yeah.
anybody can sit.
It's like when you're talking to a pilot.
Yes, yes, you're a co-pilot.
Oh, thank you. This is a very detailed explanation, and also very smart. Very,
Very
smart.
smart,
I
very
haven't
smart.
seen any of a traditional panel here. This all screen.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
and because this is the beautiful of
And,
XCMG that we
380 degrees of view, right?
Perfect, perfect.
It's very impressive. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
So this is really a big machineries that we are seeing here. This makes people surprised and make me even more excited about seeing the rest of the big machines.
Yeah, so this is the second largest.
Oh
okay,
yeah,
not
this is
biggest
only
one.
the second largest of the XCMGs, well loaded. Well, thank you very
So
much.
XCMG, solid to succeed.
Solid to succeed.
Of course.
Thank you. Have
so
a nice
much.
day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I a little bit admire you, but I couldn't came here because of my shoes, you know that. So
Maybe next one's for
Yeah,
you.
yeah, you
Maybe
should-
next one's for you.
yeah, we
because
should talk about that.
yes, after seeing this kind of such a big machinery, and you know,
just think
inside the
I-
cabin,
Oh really?
there's all the screens. There's no any control panel traditional there. It's all the screens, the high
Amazing,
technology,
amazing.
and there's a 2 seats. You know.
Yeah. Really?
Yes, there's even a seat for observer, like training someone.
It's been a while. It's been a while, and we heard some really intelligent things, but I couldn't stop myself shocking.
Yeah. Well, some of our visitors are actually taking photos besides the tire because this is really a big tire. While we're walking, another specialist.
Eddie.
Yeah.
Yes, Eddie, we really like to hear about this machine and which kind of work
Yeah,
does a
thank you.
mining car like this machine do?
Yeah, this huge, we call it dump truck or whole truck, it's XD260. It's mainly used for the open pit mining truck for this kind of stripping and hard rock as well as different materials. Yeah. Anything you'd like to know?
And also, what countries are mainly exporting this machine?
It's almost like touches the 5 continents around this world. And now we have this Rio Tinto project, and it's mainly exported to the South Africa countries because it is developing the whole continent, and the materials as well as the requirements are demanding.
That's a very, very big client.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. And also, what is the engine power? We really want to hear about that. What is the bucket capacity?
It's not bucket capacity because this is dump truck.
Sorry,
Yeah,
my bad.
it's okay because we are professional. We can tell you the answers.
Yeah,
It's
of
okay.
course.
Sometimes
No,
making
it's
mistakes.
Yeah.
Making mistakes. But good question. You lead me to give you the right answer.
I'm
Yeah.
just learning all day.
Yeah, it's
today.
pretty much. For this whole truck, it is almost over like 230 tons. But for the capacity, it's almost can be reaching 148 cubic meters. Yeah. For this tree and also for the
148 cubic
yeah, exactly. But however, this is not the largest one here today.
Wow.
You're
The
like
largest.
that specialist.
Yeah, we have another one. Another one is a 400 tonnage. This kind of dump truck.
440?
Yeah, 440. This is just a 260.
Yes, I've been
so,
there.
Yeah, you've been there. You can see the two sides of this. But also, if you like to, we can introduce the cabinet, or maybe some. You can sit on the the
It's
seat.
really hard for me for
Yeah.
my shoes, but because of this.
Okay.
I really get
Maybe
afraid.
easy one.
Yeah, maybe easy one. We can go there.
You can go upstairs.
Yeah.
If it is very convenient.
Then
Yeah.
I'll go just.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
We can go there. Yeah. Let me help you. Let me help you.
Doesn't matter. Thank you.
Okay. I can just so we can quickly upstairs. There's some technical things we have to discuss.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Our machinery is actually.
Yeah, you
so
can see
big.
these anti-slippery warning strips
yeah, yeah,
are
there's a
designed
slip.
to remind the operators security.
Yeah, like yesterday,
Yeah.
there's a raining and the people still can coming up without
Pretty much.
slipping.
Yeah, and also for these convex points are also for the slippery purpose, anti-slippery purpose.
Yeah. Just please show us the audience the ground and the letters.
All of this is anti-slippery design.
黑阶和地面它是
Yeah.
防滑的。
And also you can see these handrails are really firm and steady.
Oh, what is that for?
For this one, actually, sometimes we use the operators to catch some things, but we have designed this for some kind of GPS installation and antenna installation.
Okay.
Yes.
It's for additional device.
Yeah, exactly. You can see the size of this whole platform is really huge.
Really huge.
And we
really
have
huge.
the dual passage. You can walk from there. You can walk from there.
It's not even like a normal machinery.
Yeah, you can dance here.
Yeah,
know,
I think we're on a ship right now, actually.
Yeah, let's go for a look at this cabinet
okay,
because
please.
so many equipment. I will. Yeah. Sorry. 这个是他们锁上了吗？
Oh, doesn't matter. Just let the audience
Okay.
see the inside of the cabin. There's also 2 seats.
Yeah, 2 seats. And for this seat, actually, one is for the operator, another one is for the passenger. But in the training session, normally that seat is for these trainers' seat. This is trainee seat. Yeah, trainee seat. And the amazing thing part for this one is also you can see the panel. The panel is equipped with the troubleshooting system. All of this.
So you can diagnose it on yourself, right?
It's basically you can speak in that because it could give us a lot of targeted and precise analysis about these errors on the different lines of pipes and sensors, so we can reduce the time for the maintenance.
Yes, of course. It really helps people to know what the problem is.
Careful. And also, you can see over there we have installed one automatic fire suppression system, which means if this car catch fires, you know, for the engine, generators, motors, they are really expensive.
Yeah.
So we have the red lines on the bottom of this dump truck, and you can see the red lines actually are equipped with this forum, the fire suppression system. So we have 2 options. One is automatically activated.
Just press one button.
Yeah, one button, and you can also put on the panel. There's some kind of smart button.
Oh, so the one is pressing the button, the other
Yeah.
one's automatically.
Besides that, we have also multiple buttons on the bumper.
Oh my God.
If you really catch fires, you jump from here, you can still push the button manually
Oh my
to
God,
activate
so
the
really
high.
thoughtful.
Yeah, exactly for
really
the safety
thoughtful.
for the safety operators. Yeah.
What about these? These are
These are the electronic cabinets.
Oh.
And for this whole body design, we have the heating type. Especially it is used for some kind of cold area regions.
Oh, yeah.
Like we use engines exhaust to warm the whole tray and the whole body so that materials do not stuck on the bottom of this tray.
Oh, it's really cool design.
And also,
especially in Russia, somewhere.
Exactly.
Yes, in Siberia maybe.
But you know, in some very hot areas or regions like Australia, we also have another set of temperature control system, which means that
is it like air conditioner?
Exactly, that dual AC system, which means that both the hot and the cold weathers regions, we could have different strategies.
Wow.
Normally.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, is there anything else? Oh no, that's the end of it.
Yeah, this is our the eyebrow. The eyebrow. We sometimes
It's like a shield.
Yeah, because for this kind of the protection and safety of the operators, we have not only the Forbes and Ropes certified cabinets, we also use this kind of protection design.
So it's a double safety.
Yeah, you know, because sometimes when the excavators are operating, upper this truck and it will some kind of rocks fly over and fall over.
But sometimes
so
it happens.
For the safety of the operators.
Of course, when that happens, the Forbes Ropes cabin will be much more easier to be detected.
Exactly. And another amazing thing is that we use this positive pressurized cabinet, which means that when you're working in the dust heavy working conditions, the positive pressures cap would prevent the entry of the dust.
Oh my
and
God.
also it reduces the noise level.
Okay, so very impressive.
Exactly.
Very professional explanation. Thank you.
That is our competency, our service, service value
And
all the time.
you're talking about this is still not the largest one of the XCMG.
Pretty much, yes.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Okay, fellas, let's.
Yeah, be careful. Yeah. And if you turn around, you will see there are some buttons here. You see some emergency buttons.
Whoa,
yeah.
Yes.
And when fires and when the kind of the speed is over speed.
Emergency engine stop.
Exactly.
Yeah, this one's the fire suppression system.
Yeah, fire suppression manually. Once you plug the button, you will see all of these red lines, the fire suppression system lines.
Oh yeah, the special mark.
The forum will be sprayed over the truck.
Yeah,
and then
so the people who do the maintenance or do the repair knows they couldn't touch
Exactly.
that. Okay, this is very
you are half an expert for this truck, you know.
I used to be a sales manager, so.
Okay, that's amazing. So another one I like to introduce you is that you see the difference between this truck and the excavator. You can see the color, right?
The green one.
The green one. Normally we see the green one, maybe this electrical hybrid one. For this one, the special point is that normally compared with the traditional one, like the mechanical excavators, we use this as the hybrid one because the hybrid one, most of the time people believe that the mechanical one would use a bigger force and a big power. But for this one, we use the PHEV technology. You know that?
PHEV?
Yeah.
I've seen that on the normal cars, maybe.
Yeah, most people would believe so because the reason is why we put all of this kind of PHEV technology on this excavator because especially when you are in some kind of full loading and heavy loading capacity, working condition, normally the engine will provide the power for the bucket. But in order to save the energy as well as the fuel consumption, we use this battery to support the engine. In some really big demanding capacity
so it's like
bucket.
They turn on the other side.
Exactly, but when the loading capacity is not so large and not required, so the battery will be charged by the engine. So they have the circulation.
Yeah, it's a complete circulation.
Exactly.
The engine's charging for the battery repowers the engine. Okay.
Exactly. And it's still in the testing period, but in the years to come, we will do it massively to export it to other countries.
Wow.
Definitely.
Right now, it has been sold.
It's not sell, but it's still in the testing period.
Okay. So it's a special project for
a special project because the global carbon neutrality and carbon peak conferences requires that we have to reduce the emissions so as to reach the COP26 and 13 targets. Yeah.
When I look up here, it seems like everything okay for me, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty much So anything that you'd like to know more about this one? Or?
Yeah, those are using combined together, right?
Yeah, exactly. For these green ones, normally they are matched because if you want to need some special customized size, you have to tell us what kind of size, what kind of equipment or components you want to be made. So we will customize every details for our clients.
Okay. Good to hear that.
So what about the others?
The others, and also, over there we have the XD45U. You see there?
Yep, the ADT, right?
Yeah, it's ADT. We normally call it articulated dump
dump truck.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is also a star product in our company series. So let's go for a look.
Yes, please.
Sorry, please. Wait, be careful. 我们这边 Yeah.
Careful of you.
Yeah.
Oh, the big one again.
Yeah, all of this is big. For this ADT, so do you have any,
No,
curiosity?
Actually, I don't know anything about that. So
Anything about it?
Yes,
Maybe you can bring her some of the details of this.
I believe the most dump truck has been driven on flat roads, so it's kind of like when you're building somewhere in the construction site, it's driving on the normal road. But this kind of machinery is used for driving on the very hard conditions, rough terrain maybe.
Exactly. You can see there's a difference. There's a difference. You can see the tires. See, the angles are different.
Yeah,
for example, we are using the articulated hinge structure. For example,
this is the key part.
Yeah. If you are walking or traveling on the flat road or not bumping road, like this, but the rear part could be like falling another angle, like 45 degree or even sometimes 60 degrees.
And they
in
make
some
brakes
really,
in normal trucks.
Exactly. That is really comfortable for some really steeping and very dumping, road conditions and mining sites.
Yes,
that is our technology.
Yeah. It's a very, very smart and useful one for the open pit mining area.
Exactly. This is sold to this year or the previous years. We only sold to these North America. North America. Yeah.
Well, I'm proud of my company.
now the domestic market is also booming, not just only for all of these products. You can see the graders, and over there we can see that one. There's still XE13 15G Pro. Yeah, we have that one. And do you want to know more details?
Of course.
Okay, I'd like to brief you some details about that.
It also has a Pro on it.
Pro, just like, so for the iPhones, you have updated and you have the innovated one, or this kind of like a star product.
Yeah.
Now, if we see that it has also two versions, like the mechanical one and hybrid one. For the Pro, even though you can see it is a relatively smaller compared with the XE3000 or the dump truck or the green one we saw last minute, but it is really highly efficient because I have told you that it also uses this like a hybrid technology to save the energy.
Yeah. This is also a FOBS cabin, right?
All of our cabinets almost. For the sake of the operator's security, we conform to the FOBS standards, and also we did a lot of upgrades. For example, this year we clean up all of these lines layout so that the maintainers and the repairman could repair our whole excavator easily and efficiently. That is our key point.
Yeah. The better design.
Exactly. Yeah. This is for this whole areas. Today we have a lot of customers inquiring the quotes and money, so as well as their performance. They said that they have took a long time to touring around to visit many similar products, and what is our advantage? I say our advantage is not just only our product, but our professionalization as well as our maintenance service.
That is well said.
Because it saves time and also saves money and make the customers happy.
Of course, especially when I'm looking at this particular model. Usually the usual excavators is counterweight.
Counterweight, yeah.
It's together. But this car, with this excavator, does have a little entrance so the maintenance could be carried out very easily.
Exactly. Now a lot of excavators and trucks are going towards the way of the lightweight design. Because if you have the lightweight design, which means that you have much capacity to unload many materials and high efficiency.
Yeah, and saves energy, of course.
Yeah, from technical perspective, I believe that is trend for the future development.
Okay, okay. So is there any other?
I guess it's too many. I cannot tell you one by one, but if you really want to know more details, you can scan our QR code as well as contact our personnel staff, and we will tell you more details. By the way, if you have any opportunity to come to XCMG or our headquarters, we will have personnel to service you from all around the way. Yeah.
That is called customized service.
Yeah, exactly. We do it all the time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know what words to say, but only one word. You are a professional, and thank you very much for today's excellent.
Thank you so much.
Explanation.
Also give us the opportunity to introduce our products. It's our great honor.
Yeah.
David, okay. I'm looking forward to your guys arriving someday
Okay,
to XMG.
thank you
Thank you so
very
much. Yeah,
Okay.
welcome. No worries. Yeah.
Yeah.
还行吧，没有犯啥最大的错误。I didn't make a lot of mistakes today.
Okay, now as we're working, as we're talking, after this, we're still in the open pit mining area, and he's really professional. He's talking about a lot of details of
And he
technical
also
problems.
wants to talk about more about the
Yeah,
machine.
yes, he's definitely a professional. Now, another specialist, also very professional, would like to tell us a little bit about this drilling machine, please.
Yeah. Hi, David. Good to see you here.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. As you can see, this is our latest model.
Yep.
A DTS rig XQZ229. It's mainly used in the open pit mines for drilling and blasting works.
Yep.
And the max drilling diameter of this machine is 229 millimeters.
Oh,
and the max
that's
drilling
right.
depth is 30 meters.
Okay, okay.
It's very high efficiency in the open pit mine works. Yeah.
So I believe lots of the machinery that we're displaying today, the cabin can be open. I'm gonna still ask him, is that cabin can be open or not?
Yeah. This can be open.
Can be open. Why don't we just show our audience
Okay,
about
sure.
inside?
Yeah. I show you. Okay, go have a look.
That's very good.
Yes, look at those panels over
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
The same intelligent.
Yeah, because we have a very
screens.
intelligent system with a very intelligent system inside it.
Yeah, that's all screens, and there's no traditional panel like the
Yeah.
usual one, and
Yeah.
they represent the smart creation of the XMG's product.
Yeah.
And can you explain to us what is that two screens mainly for? Because I believe the smaller one's the monitor, right?
Yeah, the small one, the monitor, camera, for camera use, and the middle panel is for the control. So all the
The parameter of the machinery, right?
yeah,
Showing there.
the control of the machinery.
And the joystick.
Yeah.
The joysticks is also multifunctional.
Yeah. The lights, the move, everything. Yeah, we use that.
And is there any other specific features or highlights of
Yeah.
this machinery? Can you tell
We
us
have to talk about the system of this machine.
Okay.
We use a very advanced system called the engine speed adaptive adjustment system. This means the engine rotary speed can be adjusted according to the load changes.
Oh my God, it's really smart.
It means that the engine speed is matches the air compressor consumption. Yeah.
Oh,
so
so-
it can both save the energy and reduce the consumption of the air compressor.
Okay, that's very smart.
Yeah.
And also, if I'm understanding that correctly, this machinery is basically a first procedure of a open pit mining.
Yeah. When we do the open mining works, the first step is the drill and blasting.
Yep.
Then the truck and
we just
the
transport
digger.
the others.
We go in. Yeah. This is the first step. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, because why am I asking this question? Because usually for the ordinary audience, it is an unfamiliar machinery.
Yeah.
Not like the dump truck, not like the excavator. They always know what it's for.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
machine is really new.
Yeah. This machine is new to most of the customers. But you have to know that this machine we have sold more than 100 units to all over the world.
Yeah, it's very impressive. And also, I'm very happy to see the XCMG's product are growing, actually updating so quickly, and that there's too many screens on there. I couldn't just get used to it. It's a little surprising. Well, thank you for this brief explanation of this product.
Yeah. And if you have any questions or if you are interested in our machinery, just come to our booth.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, David.
Thank you. So it can easily handle the job truly, the diamond choice for mining operations, right?
Yeah. So basically, like you were saying, the open pit mining is usually about first you dig a hole on the ground because there's material you want in this ground, and then you place the dynamite in it, and like you were saying, blast it off.
Yeah.
After the explosion, and all the things are coming out, and we can use the excavator or can use the wheel loader to pick it up and put it in the dump truck. Then the dump truck can transport it to the destination area where the next procedure will be carried on.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. And
all of are really amazing, by the way.
yeah. And speaking of which, we are actually walking basically out of the open pit mining area, but I'm still gonna be interested in one very special.
Maybe we.
Yeah, we can just.
Thomas, but
Yeah. This is still your part. Okay. So please let's tell us a little bit about this machinery.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you. Now we are at the largest motor grader in the China history.
The largest in Chinese history?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So the model number is GR5505. So from the model number, if I explain the model number, what is the meaning? So 550, this is the horsepower of the engine. And the 5 is the fifth series. Yeah, it's the horsepower of engine.
Oh my
So
God.
it's very powerful engine.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. You see the size of this grader.
It's a 16-meter length.
Yeah.
It's a very big machine.
Very big one.
Yes. And this is the fifth series, fifth generation.
Fifth generation. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
I understand that. And as for the other parts, and is there any technical features?
Yeah,
for
so
the design.
this machine basically is used for the heavy job operation, for the large open pit mines.
Open pit mines.
And for other job like which is heavier for the machine. So this machine, you can see this blade.
Yep.
It's very long.
It's
and powerful.
restructured, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is for the paver, for the road construction or for any other maintenance work.
Yeah.
It can be used. Yes. And here, if you come. From the both sides, you can get into the cab.
All
So
right.
our cab is also ergonomic cab, drops and fobs.
It's, yeah, it's very comfortable for the operator, right?
Right. And you can see the tire. We use
Yeah.
the Michelin tire. It's well-known brand.
Yeah.
And it's very strong and powerful. It's a radial tire.
Yeah, radial.
Radial tire. Yes. And
And also-
this is also how to say, is the landmark of the XCMG.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, of
This
course.
is the breakthrough.
I've never seen the real one, but I've seen it on the video.
Small models, something
Yes,
like that.
yes.
Yeah. But now you can see the real one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a photo with that later after
Yeah,
the
yeah,
broadcast.
Yes. So the backside also can be done for different job operation. And here is the battery switches.
maintenance
Yes,
pathway,
from
right?
here you can do the maintenance or for the engine inspection. If you want to replace anything,
Yes,
you can stay on the platform and you can do.
Yes, making.
And here is the battery. You can turn on, turn off batteries. This is the battery switches.
Well, this is also some kind of emergency stuff.
Yes, emergency stuff.
Yeah.
So if the machine has any problem, you just push it.
Crash
then
it all stops.
And
Yes.
also, could you please inform us what's the we usually using this machine for?
Yeah, as I said, this is mainly used for the large open pit mines, for the large heavy job operation, mainly for the mining operations, for the mines, and as well as this is also for the maintenance of the highways, road constructions, and for other things.
Yeah. Because as far as I am understanding, the usual construction site would not be needing in such big horsepower
Yes.
of the.
So mainly for like highways or for the big road constructions,
Yes.
this one is the best option.
Okay. So that's basically, I think, all the information that I need.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks
for the
everyone. Thank you.
explanation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, let's continue.
Oh, don't forget to.
Oh, sorry, I forgot about this. Well, as far as we are talking about this right now, and we've seen pretty much almost
Everything. Maybe we
everything
can say
about
that.
this in the outside excavation area.
Yeah.
We still got an inside excavation area. Let's take a little break, about 10 minutes. Let's watch a lovely video.
their new round of technological revolution and industrial transformation. XCMG seizes opportunities for innovative growth. Since 2016, XCMG has worked to develop electric construction machinery. Therefore, XCMG set up the New Energy Institute and Shanghai Hydrogen Energy Technology Research Institute. As the leading player in the industry, XCMG has formed a technical group that focuses on battery electric and hybrid products and synchronously promotes the business of hydrogen energy and multiple fuel-powered products. Based on its solid technical strength, XCMG has independently developed power batteries, range extenders, electric motors, electronic control systems, and other core components. XCMG has built the first new energy loader production line in the world. XCMG produces tractors, dump trucks, loaders, excavators, port machinery, forklifts, and aerial work platforms. Serialized nearly 400 industry-leading new energy products. The products are widely used for road logistics, transportation in factories, urban construction, mining, and aerial work. Having built a strong three-pronged system of whole machine plus core components plus operation service platform, XCMG provides customized integrated life cycle product plus scenario solutions. As for the market share of electric loaders, electric tractors, and electric dump trucks, XCMG is ranked first in China. As it always seeks standard-based technological innovation and industrial development, XCMG has led and participated in the formulation of 21 national standards for electric construction machinery, including the national standards for electric excavators. XCMG has formulated and promoted standards and strive to develop a new model of innovation-driven and standard-based development. As a result, XCMG has played an important role in green industrial development. XCMG stimulates potential power, extends its portfolio, and blazes new trails. XCMG will develop a value-focused new ecosystem of high-quality industrial growth. Seeking for green development, XCMG will forge ahead with determination.
Scott, 你是 Pit。Okay, fellas, welcome back. I'm David.
And I'm Senai.
Okay, so
And-
right now we're in front of a very unique machinery. It's the unmanned wide-body dump truck that's looking also in a grain paint. So why don't we let our specialist, Mr. Pitt and Mr. Scott, to explain for us.
So,
Mr. Pitt. Okay, fellas, welcome back. I'm David.
And I'm Senai.
Okay, so
And-
right now we're in front of a very unique machinery. It's the unmanned wide-body dump truck that's looking also in a grain paint. So why don't we let our specialist, Mr. Pitt and Mr. Scott, to explain for us.
so this is a totally smart mining trunk. This is electric trunk.
Yes, it's totally electrical. Like we have a battery, you can see. In a place we used to have a cab, but now the cab is totally replaced by our autonomic driving system and a battery. So now we can see that this car has totally accomplished what we call smart driving. We can see this system, it has 3 modes, like short distance remote control, and totally smart driverless driving. Like we can use this. You can see this.
This is remote control, so we have the remote controller. And all this button and switch is just to control the truck. We can't show it because it's the side. Okay, and another is the driverless mode. You can introduce that.
Okay, like you know that this is a driverless vehicle, so we have no drivers to control this car. Yeah. So how to run this? If we don't use controller, we don't use a driver. Yes, we have a system that can help us to run the car by itself because we already have a set program. Yeah. Okay. To run this program, and this car can work itself. Yeah, that's our smart control.
So are these this kind of wide-body truck has already been into the market yet?
Yes, we already put it
Yes.
in the market. There are about 20 trucks
20 units.
in the north of China, Yiming.
We already put into a manning of north part of China, and they have already used this kind of trunk for 1 year.
Okay, but the place I heard you is very familiar. I think I've been there once. There's some one of our colleagues.
Yes.
It's a very big mine. It's before, right?
Yes, of course.
And I've seen there's a China Huano's logo here. Is there a special project for them?
Yes,
this,
of course.
yeah, our
This is our
partner and our
partner and the customer.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's a customized project.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you. I think that'll be all for this wide body dump truck, and thank you all for the.
Okay, thank you for working. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you see, this is a remote control one.
Yeah, I can
And
believe that.
without the
It's
remote
really big
control,
machine.
yeah, without the remote control, it can drive on itself.
Yeah.
It's really smart. It's smart. You know what? I'm actually during the whole time I was always surprised by the technology that really happens fast. And
XCMG really implies them really well, actually.
yeah, that's very impressive. And now, as we finish the final
Outdoor,
machinery,
yeah.
on the outdoor exhibition area, now we're going indoors to see
Yeah.
this,
I
the
can't wait
exhibition.
to see what we are waiting for.
Yes. Now we're walking through the area
Yeah.
as we're talking. Because outside in this exhibition center, we've already seen such smart devices and technologies and unique, and also, well, all around the state-of-the-art technology is great.
Yeah, we are talking about technology, and there I can
Yeah.
see a lot of machines there just moving by themselves.
Yeah. Also, inside the temperature's getting up.
Yeah.
It's a bit warmer, so.
Yeah.
So actually, we're working at the area, the first area they're demonstrating to our audience.
Yeah,
Apologies.
now we are in the high-tech unmanned warehouse logistic area, right?
Yes, this is the warehouse and logistic area that demonstrating a solution inside of a factory or inside of a company that could use this forklift or this device. And I'm actually willing to find a
Specialist,
specialist
right?
to explain it for us. And,
But when we about waiting the specialist,
what about we give?
I could describe it with 3 keywords actually.
Yeah.
Right precision, high flexibility, and long endurance.
Excellent.
Look at this.
Okay. So this is actually, this feels like stepping into a whole new world. Just it's high technology, not more than I expected. To use the Chinese thing, it's definitely worth for this trip.
Yes, I can't help but give XCMG a big thumbs up. In this area, I will describe it.
And here comes our specialist.
Oh,
let's make a brief introduction about this resolution.
This is our HGV product. HGV stands for automatic guided vehicle. They are often used in ports, warehouse, and factories. And I think I will introduce their features. The first one, high precision. They use 3D SLEM and IMU to achieve high accuracy integrated guiding. They can fit into complex working conditions. The second point is great flexibility. The intelligent dispatching system can be connected with production MES or ERP system for indoor point-to-point material handling. The third point is fast charging. They can be charged very quickly and has a long battery life. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for this brief introduction about this. I think if I have my own warehouse, I'll buy this whole system.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So basically, let's move on. Right next to us is a special equipment. Also, is in a green paint. It is the electrical countable balance forklift truck. Well, let's ask our specialist to introduce us a little bit. But from the beginning, I can just simply tell the audience a little bit about this machinery, because when we see this, I believe this one's there's a 25 written on that.
25.
Yeah, this is a 35.
What is that all about?
25, 35, I believe it is. It means the 2.5 tons and
about the capacity.
3.5 tons. Yes, capacity. And well, this product. Well, as for that, it's been written in the 100, I believe. It is meant 10 tons. Yeah. And this is what we call the KQ series. As well, I've asked the factory's colleagues before. The KQ series is actually a name that comes from a very unique and classical Chinese, well, how to say, animals, or it's kind of a imaginary animals, like a dragon. It's called peacock. It's called peacock. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
I see that.
That's why it's called the KQ.
Okay.
So, and also apart from this home machinery, there's also here comes our specialist. Okay.
Hello, I'm Samuel. Hello everyone, I'm Samuel, the product manager of forklifts.
Well, I've already told our audience about these three models, because this is 2.5 ton, this is 3.5 ton, and 10 tons. Am I believe it right?
Yes,
exactly.
right. Yes.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about features about these.
Okay, and one of the highlights of our KQ series product is that equipped with the with the water cooling system, and we can see that.
Well, just really open it on.
Yeah. Okay. Get it.
Okay. Well, that's very.
Okay, we can see that.
Very impressive.
This part, we can see that this part is our cooling system.
Water cooling system.
Yes, the motor, the electronic control, and the battery, and equip the cooling system. Ensure the efficient and long-term operation for the three electronic system. Okay. And also we can see some other important components in our product. You can see that it's our cylinder oil tank.
Oh, this is hydraulic oil, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can see this part is very important.
This is battery?
Yeah, no, it's not battery.
It's not battery?
Yes,
it's
battery. Yes, battery under this. We can see that.
Okay.
Let me close it.
Be careful.
Careful.
Okay. That's very impressive.
That's our 3.5 series.
Yeah. What about 3.5 tons?
What is the difference?
What about the driver's comfortabilities?
Yeah, the driving experience is also very important. And you can see our cars have a lot of space. And our seats are equipped with an armrest. It's making the driver, making it convenient for the driver to get in and get out.
I can try that one if they let me.
And also we can see that.
I'll ask him.
What?
Can us and I just sit down there and film?
Okay.
Yes. Let her just. Okay. Misunderstanding. Okay. Let the ladies.
Okay.
No, yes, it's really comfortable. Yeah, it's really comfortable. Can I go with that? No, over there? Yes, you're right. Yeah. Thank you.
And you can see this part is our storage space. You can put your bottle and cell phone there. And you can see there is our USB port. When you have some electric device you need to charge, you can use it. It's very convenient. Yes. And
everything total for the user.
Yes. experience for the driver is very important.
Yes.
And the protection level of the whole vehicle reached the IP65. And the protection level of the key component, like the battery, the motor, and the electrical control can reach the IP67.
Yeah, what we have next?
Okay. The
Oh, this is the much bigger one, right?
Yes, it's the biggest one in the whole KQ series. It's a KQ 10 ton.
Oh. 10 tons, okay.
Okay. What about what about a quick discussion, a quick introduction about this machinery? Have you already explained
pardon?
about? Have you already explained it?
Okay.
Oh, you just started. Okay, please.
Okay. Because KQ is short letter of the peacock in Chinese, and we named our product using the peacock because peacock represents dignity and luxury in Chinese culture.
Oh, you see, I only know the peacock. I don't
Yes. We take this because we hope our product can bring the luxury to our customer and also show the high performance of our production.
Okay.
And you can see the design behind. You can see there. Well, it's a
Oh, really?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I think very beautiful. Yes. Also,
That's what it means, peacock.
Peacock.
Oh.
And you can see that. You can see there our slogan.
The slogan also?
Yes, there.
Oh, it's like his wings.
Our logo also adopt the element of the eyes on the peacock feather. You can see it's very familiar.
Wow. Yes,
When you see that, you can remember our KQ series.
Okay.
Yes, luxury and high performance.
Hopefully, can all get lucky and hope
Yes.
this machinery can bring out XCMG's clients.
Yes.
More lucky.
Yes.
Okay. So, thank you. About this,
All my products.
Okay. Well, thank you about this explanation about
Okay.
the three models.
Welcome.
Have a nice day.
Yes, you too.
Okay.
See you.
See you.
Can I have my microphone?
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go. So,
Inside is also big too.
yeah, as we're walking inside of this exhibition area,
Where are we going next?
we're actually going just right past the area that demonstrating the key components, or shall we call the core components of the XCMG's product. You can see here, there's demonstrating the axles and the bearings of the axles, the bridges, and the bearings, and they are all the key components of a construction machinery. Well, as the card says, this is a heavy-duty driving axle.
And also these components are like the heart, brain, and muscles of the equipment, right?
Yes, of course. Let's continue. Now, if we can look at the other side, besides the demonstration of this key components or components, on the other side is a pure electrical construction machinery that demonstrated inside in the indoor area of our
Yeah, there's really
exhibition.
crowded
Yes,
here.
really crowded. We're actually creating a little bit inconvenience for our clients. I'm sorry, but here we go. We are actually into the areas that demonstrated the electric loader. Now, here's our specialist. Please tell us a little bit about this machine.
Okay, I will introduce this machine. This is the world's largest electric wheel loader. The world, not only for China, but for the world.
Okay.
This wheel loader equipped with XCMG patented 3 motors without gearbox.
Okay.
Without the gearbox, this
Without
point,
gearbox.
yeah, this point difference with all of the manufacturers.
So it's all pure electrical without gearbox and without any transmission?
There is a transmission, but without a gearbox.
Okay, I see.
And, it also have a lot of technical innovations, such as if we use a brake, there is energy recovery.
Oh, so
yeah.
it can recycle the power.
Yeah, recycle the power.
Oh my God.
And,
So,
yeah. And the electronic control, we do. XMG, we did this. This for us.
We developed it on our own.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
And this wheel loader features with three levels of force safe protection.
For example,
for protect the operator from the hurt.
Okay. So basically designed for the safety protection of the operator of this wheel loader.
Yeah,
For example, is this Fox ropes, Captain?
Yeah,
Captain?
ropes, ropes and ropes, cabin.
Okay.
Okay.
So is there any?
Okay. About because a lot of customers ask me how long the charging time.
Yeah,
it is very important.
Yeah.
For the charging time, just 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, charging. But we use the China standard 4-gun fast charging. 4-gun.
Okay.
So 1 hour and the working time 8 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours on our working time.
So 8 times bigger.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And
really efficient.
yeah, and this welder with this welder also can equipped with different working device. Like the buckets capacity, the capacity of buckets from 3.8 to 8 cubic meters.
8 cubic meters. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
a big one.
And yeah.
Does it have a quick coupler for changing the working device?
You can. This is optional.
Optional. Okay, so it's available.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that's pretty much about all.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you.
for your information.
Okay, lovely. Thank you for your time to explain that this is wonderful machinery. As he was saying, this is the largest pure electrical well loader in the world, right?
Yeah.
Largest in the world. So very impressive product. Hey,
Excuse me.
making any corrections?
Sorry. Also, there is a point very important.
Just go.
I must
Yes.
tell you. Because we don't have gearbox, so we can give our customer the service, the warranty service, 5 years, or 10,000 hours, which is first come, for 3 electric. Electric battery, 5 years or 10,000 5 years, 10,000 5 hours, 10,000 hours. For battery, motor, and electric control. This, the other manufacturer, they can give customer this because the gearbox.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is extremely suitable for the customers who are buying them for a heavy load scenario or a mining situation maybe.
Yeah, mining.
Yes.
Or mining.
Okay. So, well,
Thank you.
obviously this is a very great machinery, and
Yes.
we're also impressed.
Yes.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Okay.
All around green, and all of the machines have a really little time for charging. But I'm still surprising because those are really huge, David. I can't believe this.
Yeah, you know what? The XCMG spirit is like that. It's, if we want to do something, we do the best. If we want to create any kind of product, we create the best one or the biggest one.
Yeah, we can see that by looking at these machines.
Yeah, so we visited a lot of the specialists today. We visited a lot of machineries today.
Yes.
When they are introducing our products, what are they saying? It's the largest one. It's the greatest one.
Yes.
It sells the most.
Yes.
For most of ordinary companies, this is actually a very hard work for designing or for engineering to express.
Yeah, can be proud of it.
Yeah, but right now, right here, we've heard it lots of times. So this is the great one. Oh my God! And they're telling the truth. They're not bragging about our products.
Yes, of course.
So right now, what we're passing through is pure electrical truck crane, XTC 100. I believe it's a 100-ton crane.
Do you know about that? Do you have any information about this machine?
Well, actually,
I know that David used to be at the sales team, so he's much more than intelligent about this machinery.
If you can pause stand here for a little second, I'd like to 看一下这个使用机吧。We can just
If you're not talking with the customers or clients, we can easily ask.
Yeah, we can actually easily ask him about that.
Yes.
Yes, this is XCT 108 G5 1 HEV's hybrid truck crane. Well, right now we're looking at this feature with 51.1 meters main boom with the 5 sections and a 70.5 auxiliary booms and a maximum working height of 68 meters. It has can carry 29 tons of counterweight, and the machine offers 3 optional modes: hybrid, plug-in, and pure electric. Both so it's very useful. And also allowing the flexible switches between oil and electricity, of course, and it is suitable. And it's suitable for the various working scenarios. It also offers enhanced range for both driving and operation with a powerful acceleration and precise, stable control. Well, in a conclusion, it is also one of the cutting-edge technology that XCMG can offer.
We can see that easily.
Yes.
By looking.
差不多了. Okay, so
where are we going next?
We're actually heading to a very special area. I believe that you would be very interested.
Oh, where is that?
Because at least I think you prefer something that interests people, especially you can play with.
You can play with.
Yes, we're actually moving to an area that is called the cultural creative area of the
Yeah, I
XCMG.
can see.
You can see the store right there.
Yes, I can see the store.
Yes.
Wow, it's amazing. All kind of things are over here. Not only the big machines. You can only buy. There's only there's a one potential buying too.
Of course. So it's your time.
Of course.
Let's meet our Islam specialist. This is actually a creative artist.
Oh, creative artist. Hello. Welcome to the gift store. Oh, it's really amazing. Look at those details. You told everything. And yes. Amazing. Could you just have a road? Tell about us. Sure. And what do you have in this store? What can our potential clients buy over here?
So we have the die-cast models here, everything's here. And on that shelf, you can see there.
Yeah, the models.
And also here we have some historical like products. So this is a USB. USB.
Oh, but special meaning, like the XCMG logo
Yes,
and
we have a logo here.
cultural.
Yes, some cultural pattern.
Yes, I can see that.
And also that one is a power bank.
I can use that one.
Sure, if you need, of course. And we have some badge and pins here. And here is our 徐成功 product.
Oh my god, they're so really cute.
Yeah. And something out of stock. So you can see we only have some for display here.
Oh,
they're
yeah,
so
already sold
popular.
out,
Yeah,
right?
so
Oh my
popular.
god, I can't believe that. And I also see those backpacks over there.
Yeah, sure. We have backpacks. And
What
we
is
have,
that?
That's a tea set.
Tea set.
Yeah.
That looks like really cool.
Yeah.
You can see the Chinese pattern and also the XCMG's logos.
Yes.
And also the tea culture.
Right.
Yes.
It's amazing. That's the badge.
Oh, for like pin.
Yeah,
Okay.
the pin.
Right. Okay. So what we have?
We also have some fashion clothes there.
Oh.
Yeah, quite popular too.
Yes, if you like those, you can easily just buy. Right?
Yes, and we have toys for the kids.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Yes, yeah, for little kids.
Okay. Yeah, you just taught everything for everyone.
Yeah.
Not for the buyers, but the machines, even the kids.
The baby, yeah, they will get their gifts too.
Yes. And what we have another side of that. So, for example, what is this? I don't have
Those
this one.
are the stickers, the fridge stickers.
Oh, it's really cool.
So there are 5 different construction scenario.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Very good souvenir actually.
Yes, really good souvenir. I just thinking about that. How can I find this one?
You want one?
Yes, I really like that one.
Just okay, one for you.
Oh my god. See, David? You know, when I'm going to my hometown, it will be really great.
Oh my god, it's a gift for you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'll take this one for you.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
show this to our audience.
Yes.
It's a lovely gift.
Yeah, a lovely gift.
And I received
Yes,
today.
by a lovely lady. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're
Do you have
always
anything
welcome.
to show us? Inside of this, or we just look everything, right?
Yeah, on the shelf we have
Oh,
everything.
even the shelf. Yeah, we also have the
All
shelf.
kinds of die-cast
Yes.
models.
Look, they already talked about the green ones.
Yeah, the green
you can,
ones.
yeah, you can see the differences.
This one
Yes.
has a green one, so.
Yeah, electric.
Yes, this is so cute. I just want to buy all of them.
Maybe you can try again. Maybe she can give you.
Yeah, maybe give you a discount.
Yeah, I will come back later, okay?
Sure, no problem.
Don't close the store.
No, it's always open for you.
Nice to hear that.
Well, because just like
I can see the people around here. Do you make any sales today?
Yes, we do. Quite a lot.
Oh, quite a lot.
Several SKU out of stock. And also, actually, this is the gift place. So for people who are collecting our, the stamps,
yes,
they
yes.
will have a free souvenir here from us.
Oh, that's really cool, actually. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
And
much.
for a gift.
Oh,
I really
no
appreciate
worries.
that. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Show a warm welcome of Chinese guys to a foreign friends. I think if I can also later to ask you to give me a free one, that would be very.
No, it's only for me. I'll 5 minutes.
Okay.
I will think about it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for all the information. Okay, have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's continue to walk. Oh, sorry. Now, as we can see, this inside exhibition area is really, actually, it feels like it probably with more people than the outside exhibition area.
Yes.
So, that's why we are walking across those color of green, and the next stop would be absolutely the simulator.
Simulator?
Yes, the simulator.
Oh my god, I can see by there. And
Yes, the simulator that offers the remote controlling system.
oh my god.
So that's what I've been told.
That's actually making remote control now, just now here, right?
Yeah, I've seen lots of people are already operating it.
Let's go check it.
Yeah, let's go.
And can I do that too?
Hey, 开门接吧，开门接。
Oh, the people are trying actually.
Yeah, yeah. Let's meet our specialist and let him to have a little description.
Hello
about the
guys.
machinery.
Hello guys, I'm Harry, and this is the remote control cabin of the motor grader, and it is currently operating a GR2605T grader.
This is a remote control system, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not a toy. It's not an actual. It's not a traditional simulator as we thought.
Yeah.
Okay.
As you can see, the 3 screens in the middle are the main view of the cabin, and with 3 190-degree high definition and wide angle blade here.
Okay, so basically, how far is that we could remote control be available?
Maybe more than 8 kilometers away from here.
Oh, okay. So where exactly is the location, or how far is that machinery?
This machine is in Xuzhou Jiawang test net.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's in the north side of Jiangsu province.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. It's more than 600 kilometers, I think.
Yeah.
Just using the internet to remote control it.
Yeah. The technology is mainly used in extreme working conditions, such as mining condition, abundant contaminated sites, or earthquake relief to minimize the occupational to release occupational disease.
Yeah, I think if I'm understanding this correctly, is this kind of a simulator that builds for working in some area that people can't go in?
Yeah. That's right. It's okay.
Okay. So, yeah, and what about the? Is that system can only simulate the motor grader, or it can still simulate something else?
Yeah. So as you can see, the handles both side of the seat integrate steering, shifty, blade action, and other functions in one.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
That's very impressive. And all the things that we're saying there.
Yeah.
It's extremely impressive. Just
yeah.
Okay, so is there any else feature, or that would be basically all about this simulator?
No, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for
Okay,
your
thank you.
explanation.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting product.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll see you.
See you.
Okay. Well, there's still another simulator. Let's take a look. They're probably not going to be a specialist to tell this for us, because basically I would like to share something with us, because this simulator is actually not the usual simulator that we think.
What is the difference?
Because this is called a cockpit that's underground controlling system. It is actually self-controlled. So the machinery is actually away from here,
Oh my
and
God.
this is actual machinery, and it moves on itself. Yesterday, when there's a rehearsal, I wanted to try that one. And
they didn't let
yeah,
you, right?
the specialist said it is no use for you to press any button because it runs all on itself.
Oh.
Very impressive product. So
Yes,
basically, it is not only a simulator, but also a monitor.
Yeah.
A monitor plus simulator.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's amazing.
Yeah,
That's really amazing.
very impressive technology. That, well, I believe to start with, I didn't actually understand what the simulator is for. But when you see the picture, when you see this picture on the screen, people can't go in there.
Yeah.
This is only a.
The machine can go there, and you can easily control over here. It's really amazing.
Yeah, and actually, this machine is very small, and some people we can't even stand on here. So it's very useful for a place that we can't go inside, but we can actually send the machinery in there to carry out whatever works we want to accomplish.
But we can make it possible, right?
Yeah, we can make it possible. He can run on itself.
Yeah.
So, well, ladies and gentlemen, that is actually pretty much about all the exhibitions. The main part. Maybe we haven't missed all, but I think we've missed most of the interesting part.
Yes, and also the exhibition is just started today. You can easily come check out and get much more information. The previous days.
Yes, with our product manager.
Yes.
And call us. Okay, thank you, and please continue to follow our exhibition, and enjoy your 3 days expo. Ladies and gentlemen, see you.
See you later.